Assalamualaikum ji, welcome back to an episode of Kya Kaya Kazi. My guest today was Bilal Hassan. Bilal Hassan is a doctor, photojournalist. He's also recently completed a year of his fitness journey. We get to speaking about what it is to have muscles and how it enters you into the pantheon of masculinity, of masculine ideals, of masculine epitome, of toxic masculinity, of sexism, of staying true to your art, culture, of humanizing the Pakistani experience, and about his decision to be a photojournalist who only photographs with his phone. Enjoy. Three, two, one. Bilal Hassan. How you doing, Bilal?
Hi, I'm good. How are you?
I'm solid. Yeah.
Thanks for having me.
Dude, thank you for coming. It's beautiful how we connected. Ali bhai bolte hain, yaar इस boy को check करो. मैंने check किया. I message you and you're like, हाँ boy मैं आ जाऊँगा. That's how stuff happens, dude.
बस मैं स्कैन की प्रोफाइल देखा, मैंने कहा क्या सीन है. Then I was like, yeah, बंदा cool लग रहा है. Cool लग रहा है.
What was cool about my profile?
Cool लग रहा है. मैंने कहा like similar type journey थी and everything. मैंने देखा तो story लगाई, आपकी देखी थी story के ऊपर like आप टायर फेंक रहे थे.
Yeah, dude.
So you're doing this like fitness thing and shit. And then I looked at your pictures and everything and I was like, you were writing down how much weight you're losing. So I was like, yeah, like इस बंदे के साथ करना. I was like, he's on a very similar journey as myself and everything. So I was like, यार इससे तो बात ही करनी है.
So let's talk about your journey. Now you're mashallah, so obviously very fit and the epitome of masculinity, as it were. Yes, as it were. How does it start, and how similar are our journeys? Let's figure that out.
Yeah, actually, honestly, I don't know about your journey. So like, I think we're going to dig into that.
Yeah.
But my journey is very, in the sense that I had a very difficult relationship with food. ठीक है?
Same. All right.
There was a lot of fight feels because I feel like in Pakistani culture and everything, as a man, you're not exactly allowed to express what you're feeling. Like if you're feeling sad or anything, you're not
No.
you're not given that space, and you're not even allowed to.
No.
You know, so I'll tell you what happened with me. So my mom was unwell, ठीक है, and she was receiving treatment abroad, ठीक है.
Okay.
And I think that's where I can pin down what happened, ठीक है. And I obviously couldn't be there with her while she was getting her treatment. Alhamdulillah, she's doing well and
Allah ka karam. Alhamdulillah.
she's great and everything. I just Alhamdulillah. But at that time, I'm the eldest, okay? So I had to stay here, take care of the house and
Hold
everything.
down the fort as it
Hold
is.
down the fort, exactly. Okay? And as the eldest son and everything, you have to like do that stuff.
Yeah.
So I didn't really process, express what was happening, and I wasn't even allowed to, frankly speaking, because I was very cognizant of the fact that if I express this and shit, then I was like, everyone back home collapses. You know, that thing.
Sure.
So for me, it was much more easier just to go to McDonald's. एक मील नहीं, 2 3 खा लेता था एक गो में, ठीक है, लार्ज मील, ठीक है, खा लेता आराम से, पता भी नहीं चलता था कहाँ जाता था, ठीक है. Some days like I would just eat, sleep, and I feel like they were just like a blur. Like समझ ही नहीं आता था क्या हो रहा है, ठीक है.
How old were you?
I was around, I'd say probably like 27, 28. I'm 33 right now, so
Okay,
like
right.
around that time.
Okay.
So my mom was like receiving treatment for like around a good year and everything. So usi dauran, like I went from like around like I've always been like, I've never been like athletic or anything like this, but I wasn't like huge,
Okay.
But this was the point where I went from like 80 kilos to like almost like 110, ठीक है?
Wow.
And so
In a year.
In a year. And honestly, सच बात बताऊं, काजी मुझे समझ भी नहीं आ रहा था हुआ क्या है मेरे साथ. And क्या हुआ था कि even with my clothes and everything, I started just like शलवार कमीज में आ गया था, because वही आपकी वेस्ट वहीं तक जाती जितना नाड़ा जाता रहेगा, साफ सी बात है, ठीक है. तो और नाड़ा काफी जाता रहता है. So that's the thing. And you know, the thing is that it became much more difficult because like I do multiple things. I'm also a doctor. I work as a photojournalist also, ठीक है. And I was getting some of the best opportunities of my life, ठीक
Okay,
है. Great
alhamdulillah,
opportunities. Like people would be like inviting me, like कहते आप TV पे आओ, आप radio पे आओ, or something to या कोई documentary बनाने के लिए and everything. But at the same time, I had this crippling anxiety, ठीक है. And it was all because of the weight, because जहाँ भी मैं जाता था एक ना एक बंदा तो मुझसे कहता था आप इतने मोटे कैसे हो गए, ठीक है। कोई ना कोई बंदा है, ऑब्वियसली खाने से हुए हैं यार, लाइक आई मीन लॉजिक की बात इस्तेमाल करो, और किससे हुए होंगे, ठीक है। या और यू नो और one person or the other would fat shame you, ठीक है। and you कभी कभार used to be even very subtle, like आप अगर कोई group photograph ले रहे हो and everything is like oh Bilal is fattening up the picture, oh Bilal तुम frame में नहीं आ रही, you know, ये वाली बातें होती थी and everything. And you know initially fine, it was like आपको शायद हंसी भी आती,
Sure.
but then after a while it started piling up, ठीक है।
Yeah.
and it piles up to this point where I stopped going out. मुझसे घर से बाहर निकला ही नहीं जाता था, ठीक है, because I used to have so much anxiety and the fact that वो एक impending दिमाग में था कि कोई ना कोई एक बंदा बोलेगा, ये impending था, like it used to be this thing always at the back of my mind, एक था कि ये कोई बोलेगा, and it used to just catch up, ठीक है। So I was just passing over these opportunities. I'd be like, मुझसे नहीं होगा, मैं नहीं कर सकता है, because I'm like someone, and you know, like that's the thing, like, and the reason why I want to say this and everything, because this is such a pervasive issue throughout Pakistani society, where everyone feels like they have the legitimacy to say this.
Nah, they're entitled to it, yeah.
To comment on your weight, your height, your skin color, and like, and these are people you don't even know.
No.
Like, you don't even know these people. Half of them you don't even know, ठीक है। Like, and you know, like, so just started catching up and creeping up, and I just couldn't take it. So I would just stay home.
And what's insidious about this, एक बात आप ऐसे सोचो, in terms of material gain या material accolades, you're a doctor, right? You're a photojournalist.
Yeah.
These are, not only are they difficult fields, they're also varying fields. So clearly you're competent. Let's just say that. Clearly, as a human being, you're competent.
You know, Kazi, I knew that. ठीक
Yeah.
है? In my head, I knew that. And like, I mean, in my head, I would always have this self-talk. और मैं अपने आप को बताता था. I was like, Bilal, you are awesome. You are great. You've achieved so much. तुमने सब किया. Alhamdulillah, mashallah. I would give myself this self-talk. अपने आप को पूरा मैं build करता था. But there, it would happen. एक बंदा बोलता था, आप इतने मोटे कैसे हो गए? And I would just become little. And everything I felt, I would just break.
Think about reducing a human being to that.
It was you reduced my entire achievements. The fact that I've been published, I've been on TV, I've done multiple things.
यहाँ वहाँ बोलो कहाँ publish
Yeah, Guardian, Toronto Star, ठीक है. I was just on Al Jazeera right now, just like कुछ छोटा flex नहीं, but yeah. And you know, like, I've been a regular contributor with Dawn. But the thing is, and like I don't want this to be boastful or anything, but I want people to understand what society does, and वो आपको, they just make you little.
Yeah.
तुम तो काले हो, तुम तो मोटे हो, तुम तो ये हो, गंजे हो, छोटे हो, you know.
Sure, exactly.
छोटे, and you know, and
What's a person supposed to do about their height?
तब क्या करें? चलो fine, अभी आप वजन का तो आप कम भी कर लेते हो, ठीक है, like height का क्या करे वो, ठीक है। And the reason I'm saying this, I want to show people the psychological effect that happens, ठीक है, because of this, because of how continuous fat shaming does to people. So like, I wasn't taking these opportunities. I was, because I just couldn't take it. ठीक है, it just became too much. And so I always say that like the pandemic was like sort of like a blessing in disguise.
It was for a lot of people, dude.
ठीक है, so yeah, Allah सबको सेहत दे and everything, and like वाली बात, but it was a blessing in disguise in the sense that we were all home, stuck, working from home, सब ठीक है, and so like my brother and I, we have हमारा एक age gap है, I think 6-7 years का, and we've always had like a respectful distance, ठीक है, as in the sense कि like I've always been like the nerdy, like वाला किताबों वाला, not exactly like gifted in sports athleticism, ठीक है. My brother he's been gifted, like he's that वाला person, तुम उसको field पे भेज दो वो best player होगा, like कोई joke नहीं, ठीक है, like वो तुम उसको cricket में होगा best player, basketball best player,
for no reason at all.
For no reason, like and it's always been my frustration. मैंने कहा Ibrahim क्यों इतने अच्छे हो तुम कैसे, you know, that kind of thing वाली बात. But vice versa, like when I speak to him and everything, उसका भी एक होता है, he's like मगर तुम्हें इतनी चीजें कैसे आ जाती हैं and everything. I was like, then everyone has their own like insecurities, and it's being human. So and the pandemic was great because it brought us together, and like literally now he's like my best friend now, ठीक है. So the thing was कि I used to notice वो शाम में हमेशा एक थोड़ा सा उसका एक exercise routine होता था हमेशा, तो उसका ऐसी मजाक था, ठीक है, like I think this was as soon as we went to lockdown, was like like around the lockdown. He's like, Bilal, imagine कर हम लॉकडाउन के बाहर निकले हैं, हम दोनों के जो है ना 6-pack हो, हमारी बड़ी ज़बरदस्त बॉडी बन जाए. I was like, you're bullshitting literally. मैंने कहा, I'm like 105, 107 kilos. How is this going to happen? ठीक है. He's like, नहीं. He's like, शुरू तो करते हैं. Let's just start. ठीक है. Let's just start. And what happens, we always जो होता है, every summer we have this fund जो हम अपने पैसे जो भी हम जमा करते हैं and everything, we go on like a vacations, like हम नई country take off करते हैं. Every year we go to a new country. ठीक है. Try to. ठीक है. उसने, and his point was सही. उसने कहा बिलाल, we're not going anywhere for a while. ठीक है. He's like, पूरी दुनिया बंद है. He's like, how about we together pitch in और हम घर में we invest in a little bit of equipment. We've always had a treadmill. ठीक है. Weights हमारे पास like 8 किलो तक तो हमारे पास डम्बेल थे. He's like, let's keep on. इसको हम करते हैं. ठीक है. And I think we just started. शुरू में start किया था and everything. Initially तो बहुत बुरा लगता था. ठीक है. I mean, अपने ऊपर ही गुस्सा आता था सारा. क्यों नहीं उठ रहा मुझसे ये क्या बकवास है. ठीक है. I think 10 weeks भी हो गए थे. I was like, क्यों नहीं आ रहे हैं? क्या बकवास है? किधर है मेरे मसल? ये क्या बकवास है? This is all बकवास. ठीक है. भाई से फड्डे भी होते थे. ठीक है. I was like, तो ये. But then no, honestly, then initially, but I noticed at the same time frustration. But I noticed also I was getting stronger.
Okay. Yeah.
So like, आपका कम नहीं, but you noticed
That's the first thing. Yeah.
You're able to lift more, and you're like, okay. पुल अप नहीं होता था पहले, एकदम से आपसे पुल अप होना शुरू किया. ओह डैम, ये तो पुल अप हो गया मुझसे. ठीक है. पहले तो भागा नहीं जाता था, लाइक 100 मीटर भागा नहीं जाता था. आपसे 1-2 किलोमीटर भागना शुरू हो गया. एंड these are like little things, and then you start noticing, and then you're like, you know what, maybe there's something in this.
And that sense of achievement of a physical nature
Yeah.
is really something. It's really something.
Exactly.
It's a beautiful thing, I think.
It's probably the best thing, and I think that's what like advice I'd give to anyone who's starting off. Is that पहली तो बात है, जो लोग होते हैं ना जो अपने पोस्ट करते हैं ये जो मेकओवर या वो like 10-week abs or 6 weeks, it's all bullshit, man. Honestly speaking, it's all bullshit. It takes a while. It takes a while. It takes a lot of patience and everything. आपको काफी, but honestly, if you're consistent, ठीक है, इतना कोई मुश्किल नहीं है. ठीक है.
It's not rocket science.
It's not rocket science. It really isn't rocket science. ठीक है. I feel like people make it out to be rocket science, but it wasn't, because I feel like अच्छा, like जो हमने जो शुरू किया था, like when मैं और भाई, because we started then communicating, we're like, okay, we need to do this right, ठीक है, and we're like, how are we going to do this right? We're like, okay, we need to start documenting whatever we're doing, ठीक है, so and keep a diary of it. So we document how much we were lifting, ठीक है, वो documentation होती थी. अच्छा, oh, if I'm getting stronger, तो कितना weight बढ़ा है and everything documented, ठीक है. अगर rest day लिया है, so if you're like, obviously उस दिन आप थोड़ा बहुत क्या मैं cheating कर लो, write it down. ताकि you have documented evidence. Accountability है. Take progress photos. Take one every week. ठीक है, ताकि you know you're progressing and everything. And somehow I felt like, you know, by the time I'd hit like my 20th, 25th week, I was like,
सही.
I was like, okay.
कुछ हो रहा है.
कुछ हो रहा है.
Yeah.
Something. कुछ हो रहा है. कुछ हो रहा है.
I think the other problem with progress and lifting and changing your body is it has to do with the problematic principles that govern bodies generally, no?
Of course.
Because you're supposed to, as a man, you're supposed to look a certain way and you're supposed to be a certain way.
Of course.
And volleyball, like you've said, you're not allowed to be, as a man, allowed to be insecure.
No.
Upset. God forbid you're upset, right?
No.
Only angry.
No. Yes.
Only angry,
yes.
right? तो फिर आखिर में गुस्सा ही आता है ना.
No.
तो फिर और क्या आएगा? Because you've been taught to do that. When I was 16, 17, I was skinny.
Yeah.
So skinny that if you, if you grabbed my elbow, you could snap it off, right? That's because I was big before. Skinny all the way up to 17. और तब वही होता था कि यार, are you even a man? Like आप मर्द हैं? No, ठीक है, cool. So then I started working out. By the time when I was 17, I was 72 kilos. When I was 18, I was 78 kilos.
Yeah.
Right? And I thought I was good at 78, right? But then again, they're like, यार आप लड़की हो क्या हो? I'm like, cool, अच्छा मैं लड़की हूँ. That's great. I had a beard always. And like, it doesn't make sense. Okay, whatever. In that very toxic way. Then from 18 to 19, I ate one whole boiled chicken a day. And I ballooned up to 92. Now I was big.
Yeah.
And what we've spoken about before, now all of a sudden I was respected. All of a sudden I was inducted into the pantheon of masculinity.
Yes.
And now everyone respected me.
Bilkul, you're here.
And
You're here.
people respect my opinion for no reason at all. I was like, but I'm bench pressing, dude. How did that make me smarter? You know what I mean?
It's exactly like this is exactly like what like I've like felt. because like I said, like I've always been like a nerdy kid,
Sure.
ठीक है, and I'm proud of that.
Alhamdulillah, yeah.
I've like, I mean, it's a part of my personality, साफ सी बात है, ठीक है.
And you're a doctor, dude.
So yeah, I have to be nerdy, ठीक है. So like at a very young age, मेरा अम्मा अब्बा जब they'd get like लोगों के लिए वो किताबें लाते ना everything. मेरे अम्मा अब्बा को हमेशा घूमने फिरने का शौक था, ठीक
माशाल्लाह,
है.
okay.
So they always used to just get me maps, ठीक है. So जब हम गाड़ी में ड्राइव कर रहे होते थे वो मुझसे कैपिटल्स पूछते थे, ठीक है, साफ सी बात है. So that was their thing. So like at a very young age, तो मुझे कैपिटल्स याद थे, like पूरे मुल्क का. मुझसे कोई भी पूछो मैं आपको बता दूंगा, like तेहरान, ईरान, ये सारा अफगानिस्तान, काबुल, सारा. तो यही मेरे दिमाग में चल रहा होता था and everything. Back then, like when I was 5, I used to think I was like the coolest kid in the world. I was like, yeah, पूरी दुनिया के capital पता है.
Must have been, dude.
Coolest kid. But yeah, like, you know, but in school, when you get into school and everything, that doesn't exactly get you points for masculinity that you know this stuff. Because over here in school के अंदर जो points for masculinity is कि आप क्रिकेट आपकी बॉलिंग कैसी है क्रिकेट में, आप बैटिंग किस तरह करते हो, ठीक है. You know, like, do you know how to play cricket? Or, you know, for starters.
Dude, are you unapproachable?
Are you
Bad boy?
How unapproachable are you? Exactly.
Exactly,
Like, excuse my language and everything. मगर आप कितने चूतिया बन सकते हो, ठीक है. Like, and you know, honestly, and I never understood this in school. जो सबसे चूतिया लड़का होता था, all the guys would want to gravitate towards him. उसका best friend बना, और वो और double, triple, 100 times और चूतिया बनता था, ठीक है. I never understood that science, you know.
Me neither.
And I was like, why do people want to be friends with them? This person is a terrible person, ठीक है.
Is it something to do with our physiology where the person who's dangerous will break new ground? Yeah, as
I
we
don't
seen,
know. I don't understand. But I feel like because that is how Pakistani masculinity works. ठीक है. It's like you gravitate towards like
the idiot.
yeah, like in school and college यही होता है and everything. बाद में सबको थोड़ी अक्ल आती है, अरे वाह यार पागल है यार, दूर रहो यार, कटाओ से, ठीक है.
Exactly.
It happens like in your latter half of your life, and honestly वही जो होता है उस लड़के से कोई नहीं बात करता, सब कहते हैं यार
Unfortunate सी बात है.
unfortunately, like साफ सी बात है. But when you look back at you're like damn man, why did everyone want to be this person's friend, ठीक है.
And it's unfair with him too because
Because he thinks he's the coolest shit.
आप उसको validate कर रहे थे
and
ना.
he thinks he's right, and he continues on with that behavior आगे जाके जिंदगी के अंदर.
Of course.
तो
और मंगाओ.
so like वही बात है कि masculinity जो नहीं है इधर ही होती है. तो खैर like like I said, I was always been this nerdy kid and everything.
okay.
डॉक्टर बन गए and everything. वो भी अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह, ठीक है. तो सारी चीजें
तो सिर्फ डॉक्टर बन गया.
जी बस डॉक्टर बन गया, ठीक है. पढ़ने का मुझे बचपन से पढ़ने का बड़ा शौक था, ठीक है.
सही.
ठीक है. अब now like थोड़ा वर्कआउट करना शुरू किया, जिम जानी शुरू करी and everything. बॉडी बन गई, तस्वीरें भी लगा दी and everything. Now all of a sudden like I feel like I get validated in this world of masculinity, ठीक है. All these bros, these alpha bros जो कभी मुझसे जिंदगी में बात ना करें and everything. Like bro यार send me your workout tips man. Diet तो send कर यार bro, ठीक है. Bro I'd love to meet you man. like ये वाली बात है. And you're like I'm the same person. I'm the same nerd like Kabul, Afghanistan, Tehran, Iran. I'm literally the same person. ठीक है. And साफ सी बात है, एक जो चीज होती है with me is like I mean I forgive, like, and forgive बिल्कुल करना चाहिए, but I don't forget. I don't forget.
Oh, you made me feel small, dude.
Yeah, I don't forget these things. I was interesting. I remember you fat shaming me, or I remember you probably, you know, saying something or the other, and yes, and that's it is a really big like mind fuck with you. कि यार क्या दुनिया है.
My other thing for ballooning up to that weight, to 92 kilos, was कि I also wanted to be strong. That is another trope, right? मर्द है तो इतना ताकतवर होगा,
बड़ा होना चाहिए,
ताकतवर होना चाहिए, right? तो and then I realized कि you know weightlifting or bodybuilding doesn't make you strong or doesn't make you good at fighting. So the next thing I did was I joined यहाँ पे कराची में, I was 19, I joined a kickboxing class. वहाँ पे एक सर थे, all the love and respect for him, but he's insane, right? Sir Gohar नाम है उनका. Just like अभी भी I still think, अभी मुझे डर लगता है कभी-कभी, I don't want to work out with him still. तो उस ज़माने में he used to make us do like 150 tire flips. 150 tire flips, bodybuilder boy है, मतलब, you know, just big 150 tire flips, and then he's, you know, like, all right, now me and my friends and my brother would work out together. Now kick each other. Stuff like this, right?
You know, मगर यही होता है ना, ये I mean, अगर आप, मैं बचपन में भी याद करता हूँ and everything, तो like cousins में, रिश्तेदारों में ये होता था, और यार बस तुम एक दूसरे से जो ना, तुम लोगों का अब तुम दोनों की फाइट है, बस ये स्ट्रीट फाइटर मोर्टल कॉम्बैट ही हो रहा था एंड लाइक आई डोंट अंडरस्टैंड, हम प्रूव क्या कर रहे थे सबको, ठीक है,
मर्दानगी bro.
बस मर्दानगी ये प्रूव हो रही थी किसी तरह से, प्रूव पे प्रूव पता नहीं क्या हो रहा था, मुझे तो लाइक लिटरली यही नहीं समझ आता.
But throughout, well, you look back, you're like, okay, alhamdulillah, sensible people, you and I got kicked in the face a
I would
little
like
bit.
to think.
I got kicked in the face quite a bit, but I still think I retained most of my senses.
Yeah.
But you look back, you're like, what the fuck was I doing?
Exactly,
What was going on,
exactly.
dude? Like when I ballooned up, then I went to Malaysia. Malaysia, I got even leaner, and I felt bad about myself because I was, in the past I was told that you're not good enough. Problem was I was still trying to impress those people. They didn't have anything to give me.
No.
They didn't have the validation that I was seeking.
No.
I need to give it to myself. So when I was in Malaysia, I could spar a couple of hours, 75 kilos at this height, lean, shredded, sab kuch. Didn't have any appreciation for myself. Went to Canada, cultural shift, climate shift. What I would do was every night, खाना वाना सब खा लिया. And by the way, I was eating 3 times a day, right? खाना वाना सब खा लिया. और खाने में भी जो है ना, अब मैं याद करता हूँ तो मुझे समझ आता है कि I was trying to stop myself from thinking. If I stuff my face, maybe I'll stop myself from thinking, right? And so that you start eating for other reasons other than to, whatever, satiate your...
Of course.
And the hunger is toxic. तो फिर क्या होता था, सुबह के 2 बजे, 3 बजे जब सब सो जाते थे, I would sneak out of my house, right? Canada में घर थोड़े फ़र्क होते हैं तो आपको बिल्कुल आवाज़ आ जाती है. And imagine my mom and my siblings. मैं भी सबसे बड़ा हूँ घर में. तो my mom was alone. My dad had to stay here to for work and stuff. तो my mom and my siblings, उनको भी समझ ही नहीं आता था ये कहाँ जा रहा है, क्या कर रहा है. And अल्लाह रहम करे, they must have thought the worst. But what I would do is, और कनाडा में ना उस वक्त तक सब बंद हो जाता था. where we were living, Mississauga के थोड़ा आगे, सब कुछ बंद हो जाता था. तो सिर्फ एक फार्मेसी खुली होती थी. Now वो फार्मेसी शानदार थी क्योंकि उस पे डोरिटोस मिलते थे.
हाँ, और वहाँ वाली फार्मेसी में सब मिलता है.
हाँ, तो I would get a monster, a sugar-free monster. So please, Bilal, we're not crazy. Sugar-free monster, and I would get 2 family packs of Doritos. Now, for anyone who doesn't understand calories, just understand that 1 family pack of Doritos is around 1,000 to 1,200 calories. I consume 2 of them on top of the food. Right? And for that moment at least, like that's how I would put myself to sleep. I would eat all that and drink a Monster, by the way. Think about how counterintuitive that is.
Yeah, Monster's in Enoch.
Drink a Monster, eat all that food, stuff myself to the point where it would hurt, where I would feel like puking, and then I go to sleep.
Yeah.
Right, and I ballooned all the way up to 120 kilos. 120. और अभी मेरा वजन 80 है.
जबरदस्त.
Right. अल्लाह का करम.
No, you look great.
Thank you. You look great. Stop it. Please.
Mutual appreciation.
Please. So, anyways, and that happened. I came back down from that weight twice. So twice I went all the way up to 120. Twice I came back down to 95-ish. And then I would balloon back up again. This last time, when I gained weight, फिर जब मैंने drop किया ना, I realized कि I hated myself for doing this to myself.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
And so I started, because you have to take responsibility आखिर में, कि यार आप जो है, I was feeling horrible, right? And सही है, मुआशरा सुनने के लिए तैयार नहीं था. But I'm sure I could have found someone to talk to.
That's all. That's, I think मेरी जो सबसे बड़ी शिकायत यही है कि like I just wish someone had asked me, like
just that, like, what's up, dude?
What's up, dude? Hey, are you okay?
Yeah.
Like,
not अबे कितने burger खाएगा? Not that.
नहीं ये नहीं. That is not are you okay? That is you're shaming me. So obviously I will put a bigger wall in front of myself and
go fuck
not
yourself
talk.
or something.
Yeah, that kind of thing. But if it's just someone just came up to me and said, hey, are you okay?
Yeah.
I was like, everything okay? Like, and honestly, अगर आपका अच्छे से अच्छा दोस्त अगर आपको आके पूछता, आप जरूर बता भी देते.
Of course, dude.
I would have said it. I would have said it. No, man, like I think that this is what's happening. And and like, because साफ सी बात है, नजर सबको आ रहा है कि like, I mean, what's happening to this guy? How did he just balloon up here? like his appetite has gone up and everything. Like nazar sabko aa raha hai, and everyone is saying it, theek hai? And they say always ke like जो society होती है around you, ठीक है, they see you more than you see yourself. Because they see you in real time. उनको
Yeah.
नजर आ रहा है तुम्हारे साथ क्या हो रहा है.
And they
ठीक है?
see you in intervals too.
And they see you in intervals also. Because उनको भी पता है आपको तो शायद नजर भी नहीं आया. कई दफा होता है, you know, like this is like a thing, interesting thing, कि आप अपने आप को देखते थे तब जब आईने में आपको तो शायद आप लगते भी नहीं थे.
नहीं.
कि, you know, नहीं लगते थे. But now when I look back at pictures, even like just like photo and everything, like the first photo I took when the day I started, I didn't think. But now when I look at it in comparison, side by side, I was like, whoa, damn.
Yeah.
ठीक है? And that's the thing. And but people over there around you, उनको नजर आ रहा होता है. They see it. They see what's happening to you. And then आप वही मेरी शिकायत है. I was like, and you know, this is like for like people like listening and the audience and everything. You know, when you see someone like this, just go ask them. Hey,
And
are
approach
you
them with kindness, dude.
Approach them with kindness. Don't go shame them. Like वही जैसे काजी ने बोला कि इतने बर्गर कितने खाएगा या इतने मोड़े कैसे हो गए. No, just go ask them. Sit down. Hey, are you okay?
Yeah.
What's going on with you?
Because then पता है क्या, this toxic behavior becomes part of your personality.
It does.
फिर उसके बाद मेरे साथ ये हुआ कि people आखिर में यार देखो, we're all wanting validation. We're all wanting
It
validation.
is, of course.
तो आखिर में people will be like, आखिर में नहीं मतलब बीच में people will be like, यार तू काजी के साथ नहीं बैठ सकता, काजी इतना खाना खाता है कि तेरी सोच है, he'll eat you under the table.
Yeah.
I'm looking back now and I'm thinking, dude, you're not a trash compactor. Like, why was that a claim to fame? Or why
Dustbin.
was
कि हाँ ये हाँ
validation?
हाँ बस
होती है. It's
ये-
strange. And here's what's interesting, right? No one will come up to you and be like, यार बिलाल बात सुन, क्या scene है?
Yeah.
Okay. They'll take liberty with your weight.
No.
They call you fat.
Oh.
They call you also. पहले they used to call you मर्द नहीं है, skinny
Yeah,
है,
yeah.
nerd है, right? Now they call you fat, and now that alhamdulillah you're set, now they all want to be your friends. But the thing is, वही वाली बात है ना, अंदर से तो वही बच्चा है ना,
वही हो,
जिसको आप
वही।
शन कर रहे थे.
You know, and I think that's another thing, like about like getting fit and when you're losing weight and all that
Alhamdulillah.
stuff. No one prepares you for the psychological effect of it, because like वही वाली बात है, I am the same person, you're the same person, literally the same person
Yeah.
and everything. But you see how people change around you.
Yeah.
ठीक है? तो मेरे में जो tone change होती है लोगों की and everything. And you know, like with you, because you're that same person and you remember what they said. ठीक है?
Yes.
So for you to change your tone is not that easy.
No.
You know?
No.
It's not that
No.
वो तो change कर लेते हैं,
हाँ.
like, you know, but for me to change and forget how they made me feel and what they said, it's not that easy. I can't be your friend that easily. I can't क्या कहते हैं, ease up to you that easily, because I remember exactly how you made me feel. I remember all that. In fact, like if you ask me, I could maybe even pin down the time, date when you did this to me, ठीक है? Like, because आपको याद रहती हैं ये चीजें.
If it hurts,
If it hurts,
dude.
if it hurts and you remember it. Like I'll tell you one thing, like this, there's this one aunt of mine, it was a family wedding, ठीक है? And it was one of those times where I'd gotten out of the house after a long time, ठीक है? Obviously, because family wedding है, you can't avoid it. Cousin
Sure.
की शादी है, ठीक
Sure.
है? So you can't avoid
Of
it,
course.
ठीक है? So, I mean, I dressed up and everything. I was still like, I hadn't even started fitness, but like, you know, you're kind of feeling good about yourself because आप तैयार व्यार हो and everything.
Sure.
आप like नाई वाई के पास गए.
Put nice clothes on,
But you
dude.
put like nice clothes, so you're kind of like feeling yourself. You're kind of feeling yourself,
Yeah,
ठीक है?
yeah.
So like I am like as the person with the camera, I'm also the designated photographer in the family.
Oh,
like,
sure, of course,
So you probably understand. It's like तस्वीर ले लो, बिलाल भाई तस्वीर ले लो, ठीक है, ये वाली बात है. अरे बिलाल के पास कैमरे, तस्वीर ले लो, ठीक है. तो so there was this moment where like it was my family and us, we were together, we were taking a picture, and so this one aunt of mine, she just came in and she's like, अरे बिलाल तुम चले जाओ साइड पे, तुम तो फ्रेम में आ ही नहीं रहे हो, ठीक है? अरे बिलाल तुम तस्वीर को मोटा कर रहे हो, ठीक है? And everyone laughed, ठीक है? She's actually a very very nice person, a very nice person. But I haven't been able to forget it. And it's something I cannot forget. Like I just cannot forget it, ठीक है? Because I remember exactly how I felt over there. Like family function, शादी, dressed up, आपने effort करी है, and then this person comes and shits on you.
But Bilal, देखो, here's what else is very important to highlight here.
But in her defense, she knew exactly what she did and she came and apologized. Like
That's
but-
fine. But this coming from a photojournalist
Yeah.
and a doctor. So you've seen some shit.
Oh yes.
Right? And still, this is the other thing that I keep saying. You need to have room for all sorts of hurt.
Of
right?
course.
You can have cataclysmic violence, but you can also have this.
Of course.
All of it damages.
Oh,
Right.
It's very, very damaging. It
Yeah.
is. And for you to recover from it, like I said, it's not that easy.
No.
It isn't easy. Like कई दफा होता है मैं अपने आप को self talk देता हूँ. It's like, Bilal, just let it go. She's a nice person. She's your aunt. Let it go. But like obviously I have to meet her. Like अब आपकी शादियाँ होती हैं, ईद होती है, होते हैं and everything. It's not that easy for me.
No, dude, but how your body remembers, your brain remembers.
I remember. So like every time I see her, every time it's like एकदम से एक वो होता है, एक reaction होता है अंदर, like it's like where you just close yourself off. Like आप एकदम से वो हो जाते हो कि like you don't want to be rude, you don't want to like
No.
but at the same time you just close you're not warm. You're not warm like I would be to anyone else. ठीक है? And so yeah, this is like what I want to tell people, that this is the psychological effect that remains, like just by saying this one thing, this one thing to someone.
And वो वाली बात है ना, if you could do it, if I could do it, most people can do it.
Of course.
Right? But वही वाली बात है, what was it? It was just an impetus. So instead of talking shit to them, which most of us do, or most society does, if you could just provide them that impetus कि जानी कोई मसला ही नहीं है. One step in front of the other, and you've got this.
Yeah.
You'll get this done.
Yeah.
I think that kindness goes.
Because like Kazi, this is like this is one thing which I do. ठीक है? Like and I think they're like this is what I even mentioned to you even is कई दफा होता है मैं किसी को जानता भी नहीं हूँ, ठीक है, बट लाइक यू आप एक दूसरे को फॉलो करते हो इंस्टाग्राम पे एनीथिंग, जानते नहीं, आपकी मुलाकात नहीं हुई एवरीथिंग, ठीक है, but if I see them कि oh this person's probably going out for a run and they've posted their stats, or this person's going to the gym, they're working out, or they're posting like a progress photo, 100% I always drop them a message. I was like, keep it up, keep going, you look great and everything. Like because I know how it feels, and each time कोई भी मुझे भी बोलता था, you know what, you look good, keep it up Bilal, keep it up. कभी भी एक बंदा भी बोलता था ना, it would make my day. It would make my day.
Really
it would
does.
make my day. And I know अगर मैं ये किसी को बोल रहा हूँ on anything, I know how much it will mean to them. I know. And that's why like, and there's many people on my list and everything who like who I know like वो कभी भाग रहे होते हैं, हमने status में post किया and everything. I was like great man, keep it up, ठीक है. Another friend like probably is lifting something. I was like yaar, keep it up man, keep it up. And then like but like now they're like oh yeah, we'd like to look like you, we'd like to post like that. I was like no, inshallah I want you to be better than me. I want to see your guns out suns out photo also, ठीक है, suns out guns out photo. Yeah, but like like you have to encourage people, be positive. This should be how you should be with people rather than इतने मोटे कैसे हो गए.
And अगर आपको वो ख्याल आ रहा है कि इतने मोटे कैसे हो गए, तो फिर
ask yourself why are you saying that, or where is this coming from?
Where is this coming from? And also unpack क्या यार ये मोटा तो हो गया है, क्यों मोटा हो गया है?
Yes.
Like at least think about, okay, this happened na? Why did this happen? Because like you've said already, we know how people gain weight.
Of course.
Excess calories, right? Okay, so he's consuming excess calories. Why? Is it opulence? Why would he all of a sudden balloon up to this weight? Is it an eating disorder? Because those are a thing, right? Is it toxic eating? That's a thing. Stress eating? That's a thing. Anxieties? Some kind of mental dysregulation or what have you. You want to think about these things. And I think...
or just ask them, hey, is everything okay at home? Like, just ask, like, just asking someone, hey, are you okay? It will go a long way. Trust me, I've done this with a lot of people. Yeah. Like, because I've gone through this journey and anything. So, kai dafa hota hai, and I don't want anyone to go through it. Like, honestly speaking, okay?
Yeah.
But like, koi bhi hota hai, I just ask them. I was like, hey, are you okay? And then they're like, well, what makes you think I'm not okay? And then I was like, like, is tarah se.
You must avoid antagonism, na?
Yeah, and be very careful of how you're wording it. Don't attack, don't antagonize.
No.
Just show concern, and honestly, it will go a long way. You will help someone. You will honestly help someone. Okay? Like just by, I'm telling you, like just by like a little words of encouragement from someone, you're like, nahi yaar, like किसी को नजर आ रहा है मैं progress कर रहा हूँ थोड़ा सा. You're like, nahi yaar, I'm gonna go hit it harder tomorrow. Yes. Tomorrow I'm gonna try to lift like और 1-2 kilo और बढ़ा दूँगा and everything. Just like this little motivation goes a long way.
So I have this running joke. मेरे जो Instagram पे थोड़े से followers हैं ना, so I call my workout self-hate hour, right? Okay, it's fun, right? And there's some people, there's a few people. One of them name is Izam. Without fail, they'll drop me a message. Nothing, just a fire emoji.
Yeah.
And that's something, dude.
Of course.
That's something,
of course.
And a lot of other people will be like, again, they'll be like, "Yaar, aapki transformation fit hai." It's not a transformation, dude. It's not a transformation. What it is me realizing that I was hurting myself.
Of course.
It's me actually stopping. If anything,
self-destructive behavior.
exactly. I'm just taking something back, and the self-hate comes from the fact कि यार, why was I doing this to myself? क्योंकि किसी ने बोल दिया कि कौन है ये? इसकी तारीख में क्या अहमियत है?
कुछ भी नहीं.
It's that simple. But I suppose that's when you begin to unpack toxic masculinity, na? Where, पता नहीं, as a man you're taught कि यार approval होना चाहिए.
बिल्कुल.
क्यों होना चाहिए लेकिन समझ नहीं आता.
Honestly, I feel like I'm at that stage in life, and like it happened one day. Like I'll tell you, like it's specific. I could even pin it down. ठीक है? So like it was all in this fitness journey that we're unpacking. ठीक है? So अब लिफ्ट विफ्ट तो आराम से like सारी चीजें हो रही थी and everything वहाँ progress हो रहा था. खाना भी सही था. Everything was great. But it was in the cardio place where I was like, मेरे दिमाग में कीड़ा आ गया था that I want to break the 10K barrier. I have to run more than that. I just wanted to do it. I just wanted to do it. Like, एक वो challenge था. Like, just a challenge to myself, ठीक है?
That's a lot.
And yeah, but like, you know, एक होता है. And I feel like you should challenge yourself,
Sure.
ठीक है? Because then you have aims, goals and everything. And so somehow मैं like 8 पे पहुंचता था. डेड, ठीक है, नहीं होता था. न्यूट्रिशन भी अपना सही कर रहा था. आई वाज लाइक आई एम ईटिंग फाइन सो दैट आई कैन रन मोर. लाइक आपने पूरी साइंस पूरी कर ली एंड एवरीथिंग. उफ, एक दिन 9 डेड, ठीक है, नहीं होता था. फिर एक दिन हुआ था. एक दिन था वेयर मैं भाग रहा था एंड आई जस्ट केप्ट ऑन रनिंग एंड वो 9 के बाद मैं 10 नहीं, मैंने 15 जॉग किया था. It was 15, ठीक है. Like I'd smashed, like literally मैं 10, I didn't go to 10 straight, I went to 15. And it was just because एक दिन momentum आ गई थी. I was in disbelief. I felt like मैंने कोई Olympic medal जीत गया है. मैं like full like अकेले पागल मैंने इतने सारे like I was like don't lose it Bilal, don't lose it. Right? This is going to be really embarrassing shit. फिर like मैंने जब मैं वापसी पे घर भी जा रहा हूँ, मैं like drive करते एक लंबा चक्कर मैंने घर का रास्ते, because I was like you need to recuperate and shit, because I just couldn't process it and shit. But then you know that's when I realized, I was like I just validated myself, like you know that thing. And self validation से बेहतर कोई चीज नहीं है जिंदगी में, ठीक है? The day you validate yourself, like हाँ हम fine, हम लगा सकते हैं, and it's great. It's honestly it's great to validate people and tell them, to encourage them, and all that stuff is great. But the day you validate yourself and like oh, इससे कोई beautiful चीज है, because and that day I felt like when I did that, I felt like यार I could do anything. Like I was like because पहले होता था मैं एक barrier wall, क्यों नहीं हो रहा, फिर उसके बाद से I was like नहीं, I was like, I can do anything. I can put my mind to it.
Inshallah, yeah.
And एक वो जब self validation आ जाती है ना, then I feel like एक point आते हुए like I don't care लोग क्या बोल, कौन बोल, क्या बोल.
That's what it is. Now I think people or society forces you again into a little box.
Yes.
Forces you to, you know, be small.
Yes.
And then they also make you think कि यार इनके वैलिडेशन या उनके बगैर आपका गुजारा नहीं है.
Yes.
हालांकि ऐसी कोई सीन नहीं है ब्रो. ऐसा
नहीं,
कोई सीन नहीं है. You can do, वही वाली बात है, anything. And once you have that belief कि I need only a few things, right?
Yeah.
So कोई बात नहीं. I need only, sorry. You need only a few things. And those things, they're in you already. You know, and this kind of sounds wishy-washy. लेकिन they're in you.
बात करें तो यही है. That's असलियत है. साफ सी बात. This is the असली.
How do you? So obviously now you must have been approached by a lot of other fitness people from the fitness industry in Pakistan and Karachi more specifically. How's that been? How's that interaction been?
I mean, it's been interesting. Like but they've all been very nice.
Yeah.
In the sense के like initially होता था जब उनकी validation मिलती थी, मैंने कहा ओह ये तो ultimate validation,
बस खत्म हो गई.
ultimate validation होगी. मैंने कहा अगर इनको लग रहा है मेरे मसल हैं तो मेरे मसल हैं, ठीक है,
फिर मसल है,
नजर आ गया, इनको नजर आ गया, आगे ठीक है वाली बात है. But they've been really nice in the sense कि जैसे कि अभी जब लॉकडाउन हुआ था and everything, तो like gyms we closed and all that stuff, ये सारी चीजें and everything. So like one guy जो बिलाल मुरी, he's my neighbor also, I think Spartan Fitness उसका है, ठीक है.
Right.
So yeah, so he's my neighbor also. We went to school together also, ठीक है. Like he was my junior. So like I was like यार बिलाल मुझे like I was like, I don't want to skip on this day. मुझे एक दिन होता है मुझे केबल मारना है, ठीक है, केबल मशीन करनी है एंड मुझे बेंच करना है. मैंने कहा मेरे पास घर में बाकी सब है बट केबल मशीन मैंने कहा वो थोड़ी महंगी है.
थोड़ी महंगी होती है
वो मेरे पास केबल मशीन नहीं, मेरे डम्बल शम्बल सब है एंड एवरीथिंग, बट आई वाज लाइक आई डोंट वांट टू स्किप ऑन दिस डे, ठीक है. एंड ही इज यार कोई मसला नहीं है एंड एवरीथिंग, लाइक ही इज लाइक तुम जो है ना मेरा वाला जिम है तुम आ जाओ करो एंड एवरीथिंग. Because like I usually go, अगर मुझे केबल मारना था मैं जिम खाना चाहता था, जिम खाना was closed and everything. So like he's been very good in accommodating that way. उसने कहा कोई चिल सीन नहीं है, इस टाइम पे चले जाना, मेरा वहाँ बॉय है तुम उससे बात कर लेना. So and very encouraging, like very encouraging. Okay, like keep it up and वो वाली बात. I mean it feels good, like वही वाली बात है कि like आपको उनसे validation मिलती है and everything. But you know, like, and I think that's the beauty about fitness also at the same, but also like the double-edged sword that you're never happy.
No.
So I mean, not happy, but never satisfied.
No.
Never satisfied.
And you shouldn't be.
Like, and you shouldn't be. Like now, I was like, अच्छा सही है, ये भी हो गया, ये भी कर लिया. I was like, इससे और बेहतर करना है, इससे और बेहतर करना है.
But
और challenges. Like अभी मैं जैसे आपके घर के बाहर आया, मैंने टायर देख लिया, दिमाग में मैं कहा इससे बाद में पूछूंगा ये कहाँ से मिले. मैंने कहा मुझे ये टायर चाहिए और मैंने कहा ये ट्राई करना है नेक्स्ट चीज, because you always want to innovate, you always want to try new thing.
So a tire flip is basically just technique. You
Yeah.
get the technique, you probably can lift
Yeah.
right now. कोई मसला नहीं है. लेकिन the thing though, what I'm asking you though is कि you and I, after these long years, we've understood कि यार fat loss कैसे होता है,
Of course.
muscle gain कैसे
Yes.
होता है, you know, eat in a slight surplus, protein high and all those things. Is that information readily available
नहीं.
to the general public here?
In Pakistan, no.
हाँ.
ठीक है, because I feel like इतना मुश्किल करा हुआ है, like लोगों को समझ नहीं आता. जबकि साफ सी बात है, it's very simple.
It's not complicated.
It's like आपको कैलोरी डेफिसिट में रहना है, आप एक अगर खाओ तो yes you can eat everything by everything I mean you have to have proteins, fats, carbs, आपके पास तीनों होने चाहिए अपने, like वो obviously प्रोटीन थोड़ा ज़्यादा रखो, ठीक है, और वो कहा कि एक बैलेंस आपको रखना है. कई दफ़ा जो होता है लाइक जो मुझसे जो लोग मुझसे बात करते हैं, मैंने तो रोटी भी छोड़ दी, मैंने चावल भी छोड़ दिया. I was like,
किसने बोला
I was like,
आपको?
किसने आपको बोला था रोटी भी और चावल छोड़ने? I eat both, honestly. I eat both, ठीक है. And साफ सी बात है, if you're going to lift, you need to make muscle and everything, you need to eat this stuff because it's going to make glycogen
Exactly.
store होगा, and साफ से आपको एनर्जी चाहिए होगी, आप किस तरह लिफ्ट करोगे, किस तरह भागोगे, ठीक है.
Exactly.
So जो है ये बेसिक जो साइंस है ना लोगों को नहीं पता है, ठीक है. लाइक and I feel like even like जो फिटनेस इंडस्ट्री भी है इन पाकिस्तान एंड एवरीथिंग, लाइक नॉट लाइक एवरीवन बट यस लाइक a segment of it, like once उनको पैसे बनाने somehow, ठीक है, और उनको बहुत सारे पैसे, and they don't, लोगों को सही चीज़ नहीं बता रहे, ठीक है. लाइक ऑनेस्टली मैंने खुद ही किया है, खुद ही लाइक अपने बलबूते पे बस यूट्यूब वीडियो, एथलीन एक्स थोड़ा देख लेते थे यूट्यूब पे, ठीक है, जेरमी इथियर होते थे यूट्यूब पे, जो होते थे इनको आप देखते थे, they'd make it very easy and everything, and आपको समझ आ रहा है अच्छा इतना मुश्किल नहीं है, ठीक है, यही है, ठीक है. एंड ऑनेस्टली कोई खाना पीना कोई इतना कोई आप एक्सेप्शनल नहीं खाना होता, बट या लाइक एडिंग ऑन टू योर पॉइंट, नहीं इतना इजीली अवेलेबल नहीं है. एंड दे मेड इट वेरी डिफिकल्ट फॉर पीपल कि तुम्हें जो है ना किसी तरह से एक महंगा जिम ज्वाइन करने ही है, तभी आपकी ये,
आप अगर मेरे पास नहीं आएंगे तो वजन कैसे कम होगा?
आप या
You know what I mean?
आप मेरे पास आएंगे तो मैं आपको हेनरी कैविल बना दूंगा, वरना नहीं बन. जबकि सच्चाई ये ज्यादा है कि आप आराम से खुद कर सकते हो.
And the other thing, and this is a hard truth, your genetics dictate a lot of it.
Yes.
Right? People don't want to hear it. Like hair loss, for instance, right? Or abs even, right? Abs, for instance, if you have 8 packs versus if you have 6 packs, genetics है boss. कुछ नहीं कर सकते हो आप, right? You can get abs, you can get the 6 packs or the 8 packs or what have you, genetics है, right? I think वही वाली बात है ना,
मगर कैलोरी डेफिसिट तो सिंपल साइंस है,
बहुत simple science
है,
बहुत
ठीक
simple
है.
science है.
और आई फील लाइक वही एक लोगों को वही समझाना कि आप खा सब सकते हो मगर साथ में आप एक कैलोरी डेफिसिट में भी रह सकते हो. आई फील लाइक यही लोगों के लिए होता है.
Exactly. People don't understand. देखो, I'm like, okay, people ask me, they're like, सीधी बात है, ask me, they're like, you know, what diet are you on? I'm like, it's called starvation. Right? But because, so I don't eat all day.
Yeah.
I won't eat अभी पूरा दिन इंशाल्लाह अल्लाह के हुक्म से. एक मील खाऊंगा रात के 9 बजे. Right? So it's intermittent fasting with 1 meal a day. और वो एक मील फिर I can take liberty with because my goal is to stay below 2,500 calories.
Okay,
5'11", 80 kilos, below 2,500, I'll be good inshallah. Right? People are like कि हाँ यार मैंने ही पूरा दिन कुछ नहीं खाया. I'm like पूरा दिन कुछ नहीं खाया. हाँ बस नाश्ता किया था. यार अब मेरी
मगर
बात
वही बात है काजी, just to add on to your point, and this is my like advice to everyone, find what works for you.
Exactly.
साफ सी बात है, maybe what this works for you might not work for me, ठीक है, but you have to find what works for you as long as you're applying the basic science,
Exactly,
ठीक है.
exactly.
So like with me is like different. I have a big breakfast, ठीक
Okay.
है.
Big कितने calories?
Big like around 600-700, ठीक
Okay,
है.
okay.
So I have like a big breakfast, ठीक है. Like I have like 5 eggs, ठीक
Okay.
है, full, ठीक है.
Okay.
2 brown bread के साथ खाता
Okay.
हूँ. I have a little bowl of chicken and I have some greens, ठीक है,
Okay,
some
okay, that's a
greens,
lot,
ठीक
yeah.
है. So it's quite a bit, ठीक है.
Mashallah,
It's like 700 to 1,000 हो
Okay.
जाएगा. But this covers my breakfast and covers my lunch also, ठीक है.
Okay.
So like I have it around midday, ठीक है. Beach में अगर होगा, I'll probably have like a glass of milk or probably a fruit, like केला वेला खा लूँगा. So I'm fine. I have my workout सब कर लेता हूँ, then I have a light dinner, ठीक है.
सही है.
And like light dinner के अंदर usually I have like तो I have beans, like लोबिया खा लूँगा या chickpeas खा लूँगा, probably एक रोटी के साथ and everything. So I'm like always like around जितना मेरा एक estimate होता है and everything.
And what's your total calories for the day?
Around anywhere between 2,200 to 2,500, ठीक है.
ठीक है.
So it's fine, ठीक है.
Yeah.
And I'm always like under that way, ठीक है. And इस तरीके से ये होता है, I'm having like I have one big meal in the day, ठीक है. I get my protein, जो सबसे ज़्यादा protein,
हाँ.
which is the eggs and chicken, ठीक
Yeah,
है.
that's a lot of
I
good,
I get well, और साथ में मैं fiber खाता हूँ, जिसके अंदर वो मेरा veggie होगा या और 2 brown bread होंगे,
सही.
so it's fine, ठीक है. Also you don't want to constipate, ठीक है, which is very important, ठीक है. So yeah, that's how I keep my meal like throughout the day. थोड़ा खाता रहता हूँ and everything, and it works, ठीक है. And like and just रात में like I make sure that if I'm having my dinner, it's like around like 8-9 मैं खा लूँ.
उसके बाद बस.
फिर then I have like अगले दिन 11-12 बजे खाता हूँ, so एक अच्छा.
Again-
So the thing is like what वही वाली बात लोगों को बताना है, you have to find what will work for you, ठीक है. Like I've tried ये वाला intermittent वाला and everything, so मुझे चक्कर आएगा, मैं मर रहा हूँ. I was like, yeah, it doesn't work for me. It's
So
okay.
then it doesn't work.
It doesn't.
Again, doesn't make you less of a man.
No, it doesn't make you less of a man, and you can still get muscles.
And you can still get muscles.
Yeah.
Right? All of it is, like you've said, figure out what works.
Of course.
Figure out what works.
Of course.
Be kind to yourself. And to fucking just, I don't know. I don't know if I can sum it down to any one thing, but just be kind and give
And be
yourself
patient.
and give yourself the room.
Be
yeah.
patient and trust the process.
Trust the
Honestly,
process.
like वही like coming back to earlier what I said, like initially तो समझ ही नहीं आता आपको क्या हो रहा है क्या नहीं हो रहा है. But you will notice little changes. By little, like you will get stronger. You'll probably be able to lift more. You'll probably be able to do one more push-up or one more pull-up or jog a little bit. ठीक है? Just be patient. Be patient. Be patient, and be consistent. Be
Sorry.
patient. Be consistent, and enjoy the process. Enjoy it. Like honestly, enjoy it. Like alhamdulillah, like now at this stage, like I just thoroughly enjoy it. Like I literally look forward to, like वही जैसे मैं बोल रहा था कि like यार मैं क्या नई टेक्निक क्या लेकर आऊँगा. जैसे अब तक दिमाग में मेरा मैं कहा यार मैं टायर तो किसी तरह से ये एक नई चीज़ करनी है and everything. Bands try कर लो, weighted pull up कर लो and everything. Like keep weighted push up कर. Like the thing is ये पूरी दुनिया है. Like it's an entire world in itself. And once you get started, once you get the hang of it, you will thank yourself for picking it up because like you know now at this stage I'm beyond the कि यार अब अच्छी बॉडी चाहिए like abs नहीं. Now it's like यार मुझे इतना लिफ्ट करना है, मुझे इतना ये करना है, ये अब आपके एम्स आ जाते हैं. You're like बॉडी तो बोनस हो गई है अब वो तो बोनस हो गई है.
But it also amplifies everything else you do now.
Yes.
You can't tell me that this doesn't help your work.
No.
It must.
Of course, I feel like I think more clearly. I can articulate things more clearly.
Confident, obviously.
Obviously, yes,
Yeah.
yes. I mean, probably if you met me a year back, मैं शायद आता भी नहीं, ठीक है, because like इतना आपको होता है, confidence का issue होता है and everything. अब इतने confidently आपसे बात भी नहीं होती. You can't even carry like बहुत चीजें हैं like इसके अंदर.
Again, bringing this conversation full circle again to toxic masculinity. How do we say अब हमने बोल दिया इतनी बुरी है, फजूल चीज है. How? Because there is also something to be said about masculinity proper, which is not bad, which is not toxic, right? How do we engage people in that conversation without sounding antagonistic? Because I'm thinking both of us have been quite antagonistic कि भाई यार toxic masculinity नहीं होनी चाहिए. But how do we engage? Like, what do we do? कि यार बात सुनो, stop, don't be like this.
I feel like एक you know because bros में एक चीज होती है कि अगर आप मिल रहे हो तो साथ में सो लाइक माहौल ख़राब नहीं करो. सो लाइक इफ समवन इज मेकिंग अ जोक ऑन समवन, यू डोंट टेल देम यार जस्ट शट अप, ठीक है. जबकि यू शुड टेल देम
Yeah.
बस कर दे यार,
हाँ.
like, ज़्यादा हो गया यार, like you know that kind of thing, and that should happen, ठीक है.
Yeah.
Because usually जो एक होता है जब आप वो सर्कल वर्कल में होते हो and everything, and एक बंदा किसी एक का मजाक उड़ा रहा होता है and everything, 2-3 और मिल जाते हैं and then it just becomes a full bro joke बन जाता है
हाँ.
at the expense of one person.
At the expense of one person.
ठीक है.
Always. Yes.
आपकी तो नाइट बड़ी अच्छी हो गई, आपने सबको हाई फाइव शाई फाइव कर लिया and everything, उस बेचारे एक की नाइट खराब हो गई, ठीक है. So rather than that, I feel like it should be more like or like someone should be like, hey yaar, bas kar de yaar. Or like if you don't want to do it publicly, just take them to the side. Yeah, you know what, like just
Stop
tone it down. Yeah, just tone it down. Yeah, like you know there's ways to do it, ठीक है. Yeah, like you could just be nice. You're like, you know what, उसको अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है and everything, इस तरह ना कर यार, वो भी like
अपना ही है.
अपना ही बंदा है and he's come to have a good time also. I don't think he likes it. Don't do it, ठीक है.
Yeah.
There's ways to do it. There's ways to do it. Even with like rishtedars and everything, like I often see like male relatives in my family and everything who say some problematic shit, ठीक है. Like I mean, especially अब आप कहोगे जो हमसे कुछ generations ऊपर है, ठीक है. So like, cause उनकी generation में it was okay to say stuff like this, ठीक है. उनकी generation में casual bigotry, casual sexism, ये चीज़ें तो बड़ी इनकी like बड़ी
औरतों का दिमाग खराब हो गया.
हाँ, औरतें तो सारी बुरी ड्राइवर हैं, ऐसी वाली बातें you know जो करते हैं, ठीक है. You're like, dude, like you're a shitty driver yourself, ठीक है. ठीक है, you drive on 30 kilometers, like literally आपसे तो drive भी नहीं होती है, and like you know that thing, and you're like क्या bullshit आप कर रहे हैं, ठीक है. या जो सारी औरतें जो टीवी पे आती हैं बस वो एक ही टाइप की, like you know like these things who say these things, ठीक है. मीडिया की तो औरतें सारी and ये and you know like they say it so casually, so flagrantly and everything. So like I found like a way like कि मैं उनको बड़े like प्यार से I was like यार ये सही बात नहीं, इस तरह मत बोलें. ये जो आप like I'll give you an example. Like example पे लाते हैं इसको, ठीक है, ताकि हम इसको और clear करें. So basically like so I think a year or two back I photographed like Pakistan's biggest actress, ठीक है. Like
Biggest.
fine, नाम ड्रॉप कर देते, name drop कर देते, ठीक है. मायरा खान, ठीक है.
Oh wow,
ठीक
alright,
है?
yeah, that's the biggest.
So सही है, ठीक है. name drop ठीक है. So and yeah, they like it was one of the it was like a very big moment for me, ठीक है. कि like कोई एक event में था and everything, and like
Event meaning no lights, no extra lights.
no, basically क्या था, like I wanted to profile her. I'd always wanted to profile her for my page, ठीक है.
Okay.
Like I'd always wanted, because my page जो है is all about like it's social commentary about, and it's like humanizing the Pakistani experience for people and everything. So I wanted to do a post on like Pakistani cinema and talk about it specifically from my generation, our generation, ठीक है. कि and for me Myra was the biggest actress. हमसे बड़ी actress है ही नहीं मेरी generation की, ठीक है. Like so I really wanted it. So like मैंने बड़ा like किसी तरह से
जिद्दोजहद की आपने.
जिद्दोजहद की, मैंने कहा मुझे मायरा को प्रोफाइल करना है, मायरा को किसी तरह से मायरा, and somehow it just worked out. Okay. Somehow like and it happened like the most random way. Like I'd given up and everything, and जुम्मे का दिन था, जुम्मे का मुबारक दिन था, जुम्मे का मुबारक दिन था. नमाज पढ़कर आया था, बिरयानी खाई थी और मैं सो गया था, ठीक है. और मेरा फोन बजता है and it was her Myra's team, ठीक है. And they were like hey, you wanted to profile her and we had not spoken for like 2 weeks.
Okay.
We were not in communication. She's like आपको करनी थी? मैंने कहा हाँ बिल्कुल करनी थी, ठीक है. It's like अच्छा वो अभी एक किसी एड शैड का शूट कर रही है इस जगह पर, अगर आपको पहुंचना है तो आप पहुंच जाए अभी. ओए मेरे तो लगा था जैसे कि मेरी तो लाइक 40 फंस गई है, लाइक समझ ही नहीं आ रहा मेरे साथ क्या हो रहा है. लाइक 2 सेकंड के लिए तो लाइक एंग्जाइटी के अटैक होने शुरू हो गए, सारे मसलों में दर्द होने शुरू हो गए. मैंने कहा ये क्या हो गया है.
कैमरा नहीं पकड़ा जाता. कैमरा क्या होता है?
लाइक यू नो cuz like usually like if you're meeting someone that big, like you need some time to like you know mentally prepare वाली बात है. and भाई ने नया 1 हफ्ता ही हुआ था, वर्कआउट भी शुरू की थी. मैंने कहा मेरी बॉडी भी अच्छी नहीं है तो बस तो यार ये वाली सी तो मेरे तो बिल्कुल लाइक लिटरली लेजिट फिजिकल सिम्टम्स होने शुरू हो गए. देन लाइक मैंने अपने भाई बहन के पास गया. मैंने कहा यू नो लाइक व्हाट जस्ट हैपेंड. दे लाइक व्हाट हैपेंड. मैंने कहा Myra's team just contacted. They're like आप you can come profile her right now. And they're like oh my god, so
तो फिर जाओ ना.
so they're like तुम कर क्या रहे हो अभी, ठीक है. And like I was like नहीं like going. I think I'm going. My brother just comes. He's like, snap out of it. You have to.
Are you
go.
coming or are you going? What are you doing?
Are you going? What are you doing? तुम्हें हो क्या गया? I was like हाँ जा रहा हूँ. Mood होया उधर change करके गया. I meet her like वहाँ like मैं जो location थी वहाँ पहुँचा. पहली तो बात है obviously वो मुझे अंदर जाने नहीं दे रहे थे, ठीक है. मैं कहा नहीं वो उन्होंने कहा है.
उन्होंने बुलाया है.
देखो मुझे बुलाया है, ठीक है. And then I contacted like उसकी टीम वाली. उसने कहा हाँ उसको ऊपर आने दो. And I get there and like उनकी जो टीम वाली थी and like they just brought. She just came. She's like. And she comes up, she's like, अरे आप बिलाल हैं, ये आपका अकाउंट है. I really like your work. मैं तो वहीं like अंग्रेजी उर्दू सब भूल गया. मैंने कहा मुझे कुछ याद नहीं. I was like, I fan yours also, big fan, ठीक है. सारी सब उल्टी सीधी, कुछ मुंह से सीधा नहीं निकल रहा था उस वक्त. And then she says, बिलाल मैं अभी बिलाल. मैंने कहा she said my name. She said बिलाल मैं अभी एक कर रही हूँ शूट. वो अपने वो मैशन के पेज के लिए कुछ शूट कर रहे थे. आई थिंक एक हुमायूं सईद के साथ एक शूट चल रहा था उनका. आई थिंक उनका कोई कुकिंग का चीज़ थी और समथिंग. आई थिंक रमज़ान आने वाला था नया, तो कुछ कुकिंग का उनका शूट हो रहा था. तो शी लाइक मैं अभी ख़त्म करती हूँ एंड जैसे होते हैं देन आई विल कम टू यू एंड एवरीथिंग. खैर उनका वो हुआ पूरा एंड एवरीथिंग. शी लाइक बिलाल आई एम रेडी, आप आ जाओ एंड एवरीथिंग. एंड मैन आई फोटोग्राफ्ड हर एंड देन वी सैट डाउन and she's like आपको क्या सवाल पूछने मेरे से and everything. I was like oh wow, like she's giving me time. ठीक है. Full she gave me like full 20 minutes. मैं कोई भी नहीं हूँ मुझे ठीक है like वाली बात है. And she sat, we talked. She was very very nice, like very very nice. Like you understand, you're like यार ये बंदी सुपरस्टार इसीलिए है.
Makes sense.
इसीलिए है.
Makes sense, yeah.
I mean बीच में I think उसकी एक रिश्तेदार या कोई खाला भी आई थी, ठीक है. एंड उनको बुला रही थी एंड एवरीथिंग. शी लाइक मायरा इधर आ. तो मायरा ने उनको बोला भी. शी लाइक नहीं मैं अभी बिलाल को इंटरव्यू दे रही हूँ. मैं कहा यस बिलाल को इंटरव्यू दे रही है अभी. गो सिट डाउन, ठीक है. यू गो, दिस इज माय टाइम राइट नाउ, ठीक है. सो लाइक
It's Bilal time.
यस मिस्टर पाकी हियर. एंड देन जाते हुए भी लाइक and she was very like फिर मैंने उसकी तस्वीरें भी अपनी मैंने उनको दिखाई. I was like oh she's like yeah they're fine. And I showed her the caption that I'd written down because like I was like angle क्या ले रहा था. And she's like yeah it's fine, आप जो लिखो it's completely. I asked her question. जाते हुए भी like वहाँ खाना बहुत सारा पड़ा था. she's like आपको कुछ लेके जाना है, कुछ ले जाओ. मैंने कहा नहीं मैं क्या बताता हूँ उनको यार
मैं जैक्ट हो रहा हूँ.
अभी एक हफ्ता हुआ है. आई एम ट्राइंग टू गेट जैक्ट मैन, ठीक है. बिरयानी पड़ी हुई थी, फ्रूटो पड़ा हुआ था, ठीक है. शी लाइक नहीं कुछ तो ले जाओ बिलाल, कुछ तो ले. मेरा नाम फिर से बोला, इसको याद है, मेरा नाम याद है. तो एंड देन लाइक तो इसने कहा देन इसने फ्रूटो लिया एंड शी लाइक ये लो जाओ फ्रूटो कुछ तो लेके जाओ. एंड देन शी लाइक थैंक यू सो मच. आई वाज लाइक ओ नो थैंक यू. आई थिंक जब मैं गाड़ी में बैठा था आई वाज लाइक ओ माय गॉड आई जस्ट प्रोफाइल्ड मायरा खान, ठीक है. एंड देन फिर इसके बाद मैशन वालों ने एक चीज़ करी थी. So they called me again because now they knew me and they're like
Nazir Bilal.
so then मैंने उनकी फिर से करी थी and everything. So like what I mean to say and the reason I'm telling you about all this is the fact कि like इतना अच्छा हमारा interaction था and इतनी अच्छी team and she's brilliant absolutely and everything. And at home when I went home, so this male relative of mine, he's like तुम ये किन लोगों के साथ फिर रहे हो, यू नो ये वाली बात, ये तुम कैसे लोगों के साथ फिर रहे हो, ये मीडिया वाले अच्छे नहीं हैं, ये ऐसे हैं वैसे. एंड दे से सच स्टफ एंड यू नो एंड माय आर्गुमेंट देन आई वाज लाइक वुड यू से द सेम थिंग इफ आई हैड प्रोफाइल्ड आतिफ असलम, वुड यू से द सेम थिंग, वुड यू हैव रिएक्टेड द सेम वे एंड एवरीथिंग. ही इज लाइक नहीं ये मेरा मतलब नहीं था. मैंने कहा आपका एग्जैक्टली यही मतलब था, जस्ट बिकॉज़ यू नो लाइक द एंगल दे टेक बिकॉज़
she's a woman,
ठीक है, and she's in the media and everything and that's the angle they take. एंड he's like नहीं मैंने कहा जो मेल अगर सबसे बड़ा स्टार कौन है, आतिफ असलम है, ठीक है. मैंने कहा मैं आतिफ he's like नहीं he's like आतिफ तो है बहुत ज़बरदस्त. I was like तो ये भी उतनी ही ज़बरदस्त है. मैंने कहा she's an international superstar, like she is like
she's literally doing all that he's doing in another field. That's
in another field. I was like she literally endorses everything. She's on every second third billboard in the country, ठीक है. I was like she is the biggest star in Pakistan. If you like, आप दुनिया में कहीं भी जाओ and everything, if they know any like female actress from Pakistan, they probably know Myra Khan. ठीक है, she's worked with Shah Rukh Khan. Like, let's be real. ठीक है, कुछ it's no choti flex. ठीक है.
No, but why would they shit on her? I don't understand it.
They and you know and it was like kind of like सब लोग एक मिल गए थे साथ में, and they're like, हाँ यार ये तो मीडिया वाले अच्छे नहीं होते, मीडिया वाले, you know, that kind of thing. And you know, it really pissed me off and really got to me. I was like, if anyone else had done this, वो तो छत से चिल्ला रहे होते कि यार ये इस बंदे ने इंटरव्यू किया, इस बंदे ने उसको प्रोफाइल किया, and it really got to me, it really riled me up. And I even like spoke to my mom. I was like, why didn't you call these people out? Why didn't you call them out and everything? And वही वाली बात, coming down to the fact कि my mom knew it was wrong, and she knew exactly ये किस सेंस में बोल रहे हैं
What
everything.
angle they're taking,
She knew exactly, ठीक है. But because एक वो जो है ना, एक वो कोड है, ठीक है, कि यार
Don't disturb the peace.
डोंट डिस्टर्ब द पीस, नहीं बोलो ये वो है, या वो ये वो, क्योंकि ये like रिश्तेदारों में ये नहीं बोलते, वो बोलते. I was like, you could have taken him to the corner and said it, like, you know, it's not right, ठीक है.
No, not in. Yeah.
Or you could have defended me, you know, like that kind of thing. Not that this is going to stop me, because now,
No.
like now, like there's many more like other people and actresses who I would like to like talk to and profile and everything. But it does, एक reality check आपको ज़रूर मिलता है कि एक औरत पाकिस्तान में चाहे जितनी भी like height पे चली जाए and everything, how people will still view her, ठीक है. And it does piss you off. It really
Yeah,
does. And
yeah.
and this, by the way, this person's like very educated, IBA grad, MBA, says shit like this. So like this is not like मैं जाहिल बंदे की बात कर रहा हूँ, ठीक है.
नहीं, हाँ. I don't know if literacy and education is the solution.
Yeah.
Re-education maybe, I don't know. I follow accounts like Rants in Your Pants and stuff. You know that? No. Yeah. It's just brilliant. Praise, wonderful. She unpacks stuff. But the thing is, उसमें भी ना, I suppose concern ये है कि आपको दोनों तरफ बहना नहीं है. You know? Even with the Aurat March or any of these things, you always want to go towards construction, because this is a really sensitive topic. This is two men talking, right?
Yes.
This is really sensitive.
Of course, you don't want to be mansplaining this.
No, and it's a really sensitive topic for so many people. But because we're privileged, we want to be looking, or we want to be moving towards anything that is constructive.
Of course.
You know, we want to be like, अच्छा ठीक है भाई, बात सुनो, सब सही है, बहुत तकलीफें हैं. Instead of, again, वही जैसे आपने बोला, mansplaining, यार देखो तकलीफ तो आपको है, लेकिन इस तरीके से नहीं react करो. Fuck you. Don't do that, right?
Of course.
Work towards unpacking what you can unpack, whether it is toxic masculinity, whether it is slut shaming or whatever else. ये जो सारा scene हो रहा था, it really is, where it's heartening, it's also common.
Yes.
हर जगह ऐसे ही होता है.
Of course.
You know, हर, और वही वाली बात है, if Myra isn't exempt,
So that's the thing now, like, and that's what I want to like we say, okay, like, she's like the biggest star in the country,
Yeah.
biggest star, biggest like probably overall star and
Yeah.
everything.
yeah,
If she's not exempt for this, का मतलब,
कोई भी नहीं ना. फिर who's safe from this? और फिर वही वाली
or
बात है,
like, yeah, like,
विक्टिम ब्लेमिंग की बात है ना बिलाल. फिर वही वाली बात है ना, that readily flows into, if something happens to a woman, probably her fault, readily flows into that.
Yes.
That's a problem,
Of
dude.
course.
You can't think like that. What do you mean?
yeah, वो like, हाँ, क्योंकि वो ऐसे कपड़े पहनी थी और वैसे हो लिया था, you know, ये वाली बातें. And these people do say it. They say it repeatedly. And every year जब भी औरत मार्च का टाइम आता है, I see यही एक टोन वापस आ जाती है, इन्हीं रिश्तेदारों में यही same and everything. And कई दफ़ा, you know, like, I feel like I have given up on the fact कि I will try to have a dialogue with them, because मैंने कहा इनको तो मैं नहीं बदल सकता, इन्होंने तो Kool-Aid पी लिया है, ठीक है. We can work on the future generations,
Inshallah.
like, you know, like the future generations, younger boys, ठीक है, जो हैं, उनको बताओ यार ये गलत है, नहीं बोलो, इस तरह नहीं सोचो and everything. आपके अब्बा तो पागल हैं और पागल हो गए, मैं उसका कुछ नहीं कर सकता, ठीक है. I cannot do anything about it, but you're young, you're the future.
Yeah.
I can, like, you know,
Yeah.
have dialogues with them,
Yeah.
like, वाली बात है. I think
थोड़ा सा geek session करते हैं. What camera do you use?
I actually don't use it. I use like an iPhone.
Are you kidding me?
Yeah, I use an iPhone. Yeah, 11X Pro. This is
But
it.
you're a photojournalist.
This is what I shoot with, ठीक है.
That's
This
awesome.
is what I shoot with, ठीक है.
That's beautiful.
Because, you know, the thing was, initially I used to have a Canon, SX30 IS. I used to have like it was a point shoot, ठीक है. But the thing was, I felt like because I started shooting in Karachi, साफ सी बात है, ठीक है. And I used to notice like the minute I used to go like camera, lens and everything, like एकदम से लोग intimidate हो जाते थे, ठीक है. And आपको काफ़ी quarters और जगहों में आप लोग just shut down, ठीक है. So I was like, wait, let's switch this up a bit.
So interesting.
ठीक है. So I was like, I will start using a phone. And मैंने कहा अच्छा थोड़ा खर्चा करते हैं iPhone वाले, because iPhone के कैमरे अच्छे होते हैं. So then I noticed like experiment किया था. मैंने phone जब रखता था, ठीक है. So I'd be like, मैं आपकी तस्वीर ले सकता हूँ. कई दफ़ा they would ask her like, कैमरा है क्या है? मैं कहा नहीं, phone है. And they're like, oh, phone है. They'd be very comfortable with it. And in fact, like if you look at a phone, it's not that intimidating also. Hey, मैं आपकी तस्वीर ले सकता हूँ, it's fine. And there's not that intimidating. आप कैमरा निकालो, वो 2 मिनट में intimidate हो जाते हैं. And especially because I started in 2014.
Okay.
2014, if you go back into history and everything, it was the time when Pakistan where shit had hit the fan, ठीक है, basically, ठीक है. Everything about us was just, we were in the news for all the wrong reasons. Like literally everything was just happening and कुछ अच्छा नहीं चल रहा था यहाँ. And Karachi specifically, ठीक है, was like the center of all like
The shit.
all the shit, like literally सब कुछ यहाँ. So people weren't open to having themselves photographed, ठीक है. And so it was very hard. And the reason I'd even started photographing was because I wanted to humanize the Pakistani experience, ठीक है. Because I'd noticed कि जो लोग थे एक न्यूज़ में एक वो obsession हो गया था, एक वो जंगली बागी पागल पाकिस्तान, बस वही न्यूज़ बिक रही थी, ठीक है. Like I'm not going to whitewash it. I mean, what happened and everything.
It was dangerous.
Not going to deny that. Yes, Peshawar did happen. Yes, Malala did get shot in the head. Yes, our cricket team did get caught in a bunch of betting scandals. ये सब हुआ था. ये कुछ deny नहीं कर रहा मैं. But and that would be denial and whitewashing of history. That's another discussion. But I wanted to show that. Because I felt like हम मीडिया में इतने डीह्यूमनाइज हो गए थे और पाकिस्तानियों को बस वो देखते थे कि बस हम पागल हैं, बस ये पागल जंगली बागी रोग लोग हैं. So I wanted to photograph Pakistanis in their natural element, just going by their normal lives, just like humanizing them, ठीक है. Like जैसे कि यहाँ भी लोग शाम में रेस्टोरेंट पे जाते हैं, बीच पे लोग फैमिली खेल रही है, ठीक है. लोग यहाँ भी डेट पे जाते हैं, ठीक है, ठीक है.
क्या बोल रहे हैं बिलाल?
क्या बोल, अस्तगफुरुल्लाह,
क्या बोल रहे हैं आप?
को पाकिस्तान, yeah, तो like, so yeah, like I just wanted to just show these little things, and उसके लिए I felt like having a phone, doing it with the phone was much easier, ठीक है. And that's how it started off. Because मैं जब कैमरे से शुरू करता था एकदम से नहीं, sorry, नहीं. And कैमरे के साथ वो एक और जो चीज़ थी, वो एक एलिमेंट ऑफ आप फॉरेनर भी आ गए थे, ठीक है. आप कहाँ से आए हैं, आप किधर से आए हैं, एवरीथिंग, like एक वो वाला एक एलिमेंट आ गया था. और उस ज़माने में वो भी था ना, like बड़े पैराशूट एंड फॉरेन जर्नलिस्ट भी आ रहे थे एंड एवरीथिंग. एंड कराची में पीपल वर वेरी सेंसिटिव ऑफ ऑल ऑफ दिस, ठीक है. लाइक नहीं, हमें पता है आप क्या लिखेंगे हमारे बारे में, नहीं हमें पता है आप क्या लिखेंगे हमारे में. सो then I started, मैंने फ़ोन इस्तेमाल करना शुरू किया. I was like, wait, let's change this up a bit. So मैं फ़ोन के साथ जाता था. He's like, oh, आप कहाँ से हैं? मैं कहा मैं यहीं रहता हूँ कराची में, everything. हाँ, मुझे instantly ये तो पता था कि the minute मैं अपना मुंह खोलूँगा ये मुझे वैसी stereotype कर लेंगे. He's like, हाँ, आप तो बर्गर हैं. पर मैंने कहा fine, I can't hide that. मैंने कहा हाँ हूँ बर्गर, ठीक है, दिल साफ है मेरा, ठीक है. And then like, okay, सही है. जब आप फ़ोन के साथ करते थे तो वो बैरियर बहुत लो होता था, ठीक है. और फ़ोन के साथ साथ भी होता था अगर मैं आपसे थोड़े सवाल कर लूँ मैं आपको रिकॉर्ड कर सकता हूँ. सो एक वो मल्टी टास्किंग टाइप सा एक वो चीज़ ही बन जाती थी, ठीक है. सो लाइक समटाइम्स इफ आई हैव टू डू एन इंटरव्यू ऑन द स्पॉट, सो इट्स बेसिकली जस्ट वन गैजेट आई हैव टू कैरी, ठीक है. सो इट्स लाइक आपने ऑडियो प्रेस किया, आपने सवाल पूछे, रिकॉर्ड भी हो गया. अच्छा मैं थोड़ी तस्वीरें ले लूँ, तस्वीरें उठाई. इट्स वन चीज़ एंड इट्स नॉट इंटिमिडेटिंग. आप कैमरा लेके अभी जाओ सदर के अंदर, सदर तो खैर फिर भी पीपल आर ओपन विद इट, बट आप कोई और इलाके के अंदर चले जाओ, आप चले जाओ मंगो पीर चले जाओ, आप मलीर चले जाओ, गडाब चले जाओ, guaranteed people will just close their doors. They'll नहीं हमें नहीं लेनी तस्वीर. But आप फ़ोन के साथ हो and everything, and फ़ोन आपके हाथ में नहीं है the minute you're gone. वो तो जेब में आपके. को मेरा नाम ये, मैं थोड़ी कराची की तस्वीरें लेता हूँ and everything. फ़ोन निकाला, अकाउंट दिखाया, ये है. They're like, oh अच्छा आप कराची का. मैंने कहा इस तरह कैसे आपकी ले सकता हूँ. 50% chance hai, they will say no, but there's a very 50% chance that they will say yes.
Yes. That's much higher than if you showed up with like C-stands and stuff.
Oh, and tripod lighting, gone. Sara. And one thing I'm very big on is consent. साफ सी बात है, consent के बगैर अगर and कई लोग ये जो पाकिस्तान में ये जो करते हैं चुपके से एक लेना, and वो गलत है, ठीक है. साहब कई दफ़ा होता है आपको बहुत अच्छा मटेरियल मिलता है, बहुत अच्छा फ्रेम मिलता है, मैं बंदे ने नहीं बोल दिया है. Thank you very much. So sorry. Khuda Hafiz. Handshake. You can move on. ठीक है. Likewise, it's the same thing with us. आपको ऐसी कैमरा कोई point कर दे, you'd be like, hey, who are you, man? ठीक है. Like, you know वाली बात क्या scene है bro? ठीक है. So उसकी भी right है to say. Likewise, it's also the same in Balochistan. ठीक है. So Balochistan के अंदर भी like अगर like आप कैमरा वैमरा लेके जाए everything, people do like, because again आप history देखो and everything, काफी like mistrust एक होता है, ठीक है, of journalists and a lot of things, ठीक है. So but with phone and everything, they're relatively like अच्छा सही है, ठीक है. So like in Pakistan, and so just by accident and experience and everything, I somehow just phone. It just worked out.
That's so interesting, dude. Like, 'cause I've shot. अभी तक तो I've only done in studio shoots.
Yes.
हाँ, कहीं पे भी मैंने जो है लाइटिंग वाइटिंग के साथ तो 3 सी स्टैंड लगे हुए होते हैं, स्ट्रोब लगा होता है, मैं बोल रहा हूँ तो हाँ भाई देखिए आप बिल्कुल just act natural. बंदा या बंदी आगे से बोलते हैं भाई what is natural about all this?
ये क्या सीन है bro?
3 लोग सी स्टैंड लेके खड़े हुए हैं, हाँ भाई
Yeah,
बोल रहे हैं नेचुरल हो जाए,
Yeah,
कैंडिड लेंगे यहाँ पे. But then I've also shot in public spaces video, and I think at least वही जो आपने बात की सदर या DHA या in Clifton में, people are also more open to the idea of a gimbal and a camera.
Yeah.
So they know what's going on now.
The smaller and the more compact होगा, they'll be more वो कर लेंगे.
Adjust कर लेंगे.
एडजस्ट कर लेंगे, ठीक है. मगर जितना आप ज़्यादा मटेरियल लेकर आएंगे, जैसे लियारी के अंदर एक स्ट्रीट है, वो देखी होगी आपने, जो कलरफुल वाली स्ट्रीट है, ठीक है, ठीक है. मगर वो उन्होंने दे क्लोज्ड इट ऑफ टू कैमराज एंड एवरीथिंग. देयर लाइक नो फोटोग्राफी अलाउड. व्हाई? बिकॉज अ लॉट ऑफ द बिग फैशन हाउसेस showed up, and they showed up with all of this and you light and all that stuff, and people were like, what the hell, man, we live here, ठीक है. So and that's where you have to be very careful, very cognizant that these are real people, real lives, ठीक है. आपको तो अपना वही वाली बात है, क्लिक बेट कॉन्टेंट अपना मिल जाएगा, आपको हज़ारों लाइक मिल जाएंगे, शेयर वेयर मिल जाएंगे, अकाउंट पे आपके 300-400 फॉलोअर बढ़ जाएंगे, ग्रेट, बट एक्सीलेंट, बट लाइक हेलो, यू डूइंग एट द एक्सपेंस ऑफ समवन्स लाइफ, ठीक है. सो यू हैव टू बी वेरी वेरी कॉग्निसेंट ऑफ दैट.
Yes, and that's a beautiful thought, I think. You want to think about the fact that these are real lives. Do you think we take away from the beauty of it when we measure it, all we gauge it through, the only lens we gauge it through is यार मुझे likes कितने मिल जाएंगे?
Yes, of course, of course,
because वो इतनी खूबसूरत एक जगह है, and you know, think about the history of violence that's existed in Liari.
Of course.
For beauty to come out of such violence, और आप बोल रहे हैं यार बिलाल मेरी फोटो तो लेना यहाँ पे, ऐसे खड़ा हूँ मैं.
ये हमने थोड़ा दिखाया है, ये it does, you know, but like and you know, like एक और बात भी जो काजी, to adding on to what you said, is the fact कि अगर आप इस तरीके से भी उसको आप लाइक वो लिख कर करोगे एंड एवरीथिंग, और अपनी ही तस्वीर अपनी फ्लैग्स मार के आप लगाओगे एंड एवरीथिंग, यू लिटरली, बिकॉज आपने अपने ऊपर फोकस डाल दिया, यू हैव टेकन अवे एवरीथिंग what that area has been through, ठीक है. And that's what a lot of people do over here, ठीक है, is rather than just focus on that one street, ठीक है, how about you go talk to some people from Liari, how about you go explore some more streets over there, go talk to them and ask them about their life, rather than आपने बस एक street, अपनी तस्वीर, अपने muscles डाल के आपने एक caption लिख दिया. I feel like उधर you are, वो जो ना आपको एक instant validation के चक्कर में आपने you've done injustice to the story. You've done injustice, ठीक है. And this is what a lot happens over here, ठीक है. Because like कई दफ़ा होता है मेरे साथ, I have material like sitting around for like months, ठीक है. I don't post it. Because I feel like I don't have the words to articulate it down, ठीक है. And जब तक I don't have the words to articulate it down, I will not post it. साफ सी बात है, ठीक है. I mean, I still haven't posted about my fitness journey. I have the photo, but I haven't posted about it because I don't have the words to articulate it down.
जब आएंगे तब आएंगे.
जब आएंगे तो कर देंगे, ठीक है. और ऐसी बहुत सारी और stories and everything where you're like, नहीं, मुझे अभी नहीं करना, या मैं भी करूँगा, I'll be injustice to it because I feel like I don't know enough about it. I feel like I need to talk to more people to that, you know. And I feel like यहाँ यही तुम्हारी वही बात को add on ये कर रहा हूँ कि लोगों ने बहुत उसको कर दिया कि बस ये likes और shares के नज़रिया से देख रहे हैं everything. And that's wrong. It's wrong. It's absolutely wrong. कि इस तरीके से नहीं करना चाहिए. कई दफ़ा होता है आप पोस्ट लगाते हो and everything, आपको पता है इस पे लाइक नहीं आ रहा, आपको पता होता है, मुझे पहले से पता होता है कि इसमें कोई कलर नहीं फट रहे हैं, ठीक है, बिकॉज लोगों को कलर नज़र आते हैं, दे वांट टू सी द कलर्स, ठीक है. देयर इज नो कलर्स इन एनीथिंग, इट्स प्रोबेबली अ सीरियस पोस्ट, ठीक है, बट यू स्टिल डू इट बिकॉज यू बिलीव इन द स्टोरी एंड यू वांट पीपल. एंड मेरे लिए ये होता है कि यार अगर एक बंदे ने भी पढ़ लिया देन सही है, बिकॉज आई राइट कैप्शंस एंड आई टेक माई टाइम टू लाइक पुट टुगेदर द स्टोरी एंड एवरीथिंग. And I think it's also been a challenge for me because initially होता था, oh यार नहीं यार, किसी तरह से engagement आ जाए,
Engagement होनी चाहिए भाई.
engagement होनी चाहिए and everything. But gradually is like नहीं, like कई दफ़ा you have to be like नहीं, I want this story to get out, I want people to read this, and आपको पता है इसमें engagement नहीं आएगी. मुझे जैसे पता है मैं कोई खाने का पोस्ट लगाऊँ, ठीक है, guaranteed it'll do well, guaranteed. कुछ भी खाना लगा दो, कुछ पाकिस्तानी लव खाना लगा दो, खाना पकता हुआ वीडियो लगा दो, खाने की लगा दो तस्वीर. Zero effort है, it's zero effort, ठीक है. One of like the most liked photos I have on my page is like an अंडे पराठे की है, ठीक है.
Nice.
और क्वेटा आलमगीर गया था, ठीक है, बाद में वो सुबह में गया था, चीट डे था, ठीक है. पराठे अंडे चाय थी, जीरो एफर्ट, फ्लैट ले ली थी सिंपल, ठीक है, ऐसे बस करके ली थी, ठीक है. Didn't even make much effort for it, just wrote down something, ठीक है, posted it, ठीक है. Yeah, like 4,000-5,000 likes, had like thousands of shares and shit. Yeah, it's nice, आपका post just does well, but at the same time it's also, yeah, what about the post I did on the environment? और वो मैंने पूरी research करी थी, वो तो 600 लोगों ने भी like नहीं, nobody even looked at it, nobody read it, ठीक है. And it does annoy you, and I feel like उस पे or like about the water crisis in Karachi, like I did one on that, like tankers and all that stuff, and like and then you realize it, and आपको फिर ये पता चलता है. And I think I've been through this whole stage and all this stuff. I was like नहीं, अब मैं वही पोस्ट करूँगा जो मुझे करना है पोस्ट, ठीक है. लाइक आए ना आए वो नहीं आए, बट आई नीड टू बी ट्रू टू माई सेल्फ, लाइक साफ सी बात है.
First and foremost, dude.
फर्स्ट एंड फॉरमोस्ट, ठीक है. लाइक आपको भी पता होगा कि आप कोई गेस्ट बुलाओगे यार, इस पे तो एंगेजमेंट है कि इसके फॉलोअर इतने हो
बिलाल, मैं पॉडकास्ट करता हूँ
इस पे, बट ठीक है, साफ सी
मतलब मुझे सब ने ये बोला था कि भाई ये कभी नहीं चलेगी.
हाँ.
तुम 3 घंटे के गुफ्तगू कर रहे हो लोगों के साथ. Who wants to listen to it? I'm like, I want to do it, dude.
But you want to do it,
put
ठीक
it
है,
out
साफ
there.
सी बात है, ठीक है.
That's it.
So like it's like you have to know like these things, and you like, I don't care ये जो गेस्ट है इसके इतने नहीं है, ये नहीं होनी चाहिए यार. मुझे
cool
बात
लग रहा है.
करनी है सेट,
मुझे cool लग रहा है बंदा.
मुझे cool लग रहा है
या बंदी जो भी है.
यार साफ सी बात है, ठीक है.
क्या करूं?
So I think that is what you have to be true to yourself. Because like I said, like मुझे पता है, मैं अभी चले जाऊँ कुलाची की एक तस्वीर लगा दूँ, guaranteed will like it, like कुलाची everyone relates to it, या समंदर, साथ में पनीर रेशमी का कुछ लिख दूँ and everything. Oh my god, I love कुलाची and everything. Engagement मिल गई आपको वहाँ, ठीक है. Yeah, but and that's nice, ठीक है, because वो भी important है. But like कई दफ़ा आप होता है सीरियस इशू पे बात करते हैं. Somehow I wish people would read that more also, and like वाली बात है, ये होता है. And I feel like I've gotten to the stage where like I was like नहीं, मैं जो पोस्ट करूँगा जो मुझे पसंद है, वो, and what I think is important.
Yeah, देखो, with all this ना, I think what you're highlighting is something very serious. People here, they become overstimulated, they become kind of numb.
Yeah.
And they want low impact endorphin rushes, right? They're just like, yaar, Bilal, koi achhi cheez dikha de yaar. And Bilal's like, yaar, but what about this serious water crisis thing in Karachi? They're like, yaar, we lived through that. But right now, just show me something that I can see, that my mind doesn't have to work, then I can just go to sleep. I think a lot of it is because we've been inundated with so much bitterness and so much negativity.
That's true.
Yeah.
It's also another thing where and it comes down to like the bigger, greater problem of it is also this whole influencer culture, ठीक है, where like हमें overnight influencer बना दो, मुझे 10K followers चाहिए, मुझे वो swipe up option चाहिए, I just want it now, ठीक है. And somehow I want there, because when I get to 10K, then brands will contact me, then I can make money, and people will do anything to get to that level, ठीक है. And rather than what, post good content, like like patient, like be patient about it.
Build a community.
Be patient about it, ठीक है. It won't happen overnight,
Nope.
ठीक है. But some people do want it overnight. उनको फौरन चाहिए, and वही वाली बात है, वो कहेंगे इस पे एंगेजमेंट आता है, इस पे एंगेजमेंट हम यही पोस्ट करेंगे, ठीक है. उससे मगर आपने गलत क्या कर दिया, आपने अपने आप को एक डब्बे में डाल दिया. You're in a box now, ठीक है.
Yeah.
अब आप कभी भी इस डब्बे से बाहर करेंगे ना बात, nobody will want to look at it.
There'll
They
be
won't-
backlash, dude.
there'll be backlash. ठीक है. With my case is now they know ये किसी चीज़ पे ही बात कर सकता है because it's everything and anything. ठीक है. Yes, I know कि इस पे engagement कम आएगी, इस पे ज़्यादा, ये पता होता है आपको.
सही.
But they know कि he talks about everything and anything. ठीक है. जो भी इसका mood है. ठीक है. So when I've never tried to put myself in a box, हाँ कई दफ़ा people try to put me in a box, but I was like नहीं, मैं डब्बे में नहीं होगा. And likewise I feel like आपके साथ भी podcast में like मैं हर चीज़ के बारे में बात करूँगा.
Inshallah,
Anything
yeah.
or anything.
Yeah,
ठीक है.
yeah.
And I feel like कभी भी अपने आप को डब्बे में नहीं डालना.
Uh-huh. But yeah, but then that pressure is क्योंकि आपको monetize तो करना है ना. But do you think then that you want to get your money from elsewhere?
Look, I'm not gonna lie. Yes, money is good. ठीक है, you do
Fantastic,
get.
dude.
ठीक है, but at the same time, you're always, I'm always cognizant and always thinking के how do I maintain a balance? You know, आपको billboard ही नहीं बनना है, आपको billboard नहीं बनना है,
नहीं,
ठीक है.
that's not you, no.
You know, but कुछ people हैं, वो सिर्फ तुम उनको बस scroll करो, वो line से उनके सारे 3-4 होंगे, सिर्फ sponsored होंगे, like मोर्टीन के साथ गार्डन में बैठे होंगे. ठीक है. ठीक है. मोर्टीन के साथ गार्डन में बैठे लाइक ओके कूल बाय मोर्टीन. पूरी जिंदगी मेरी जिंदगी बदल गया. कैसे जिंदगी बदली आपकी मोर्टीन से? ओके कूल. ठीक है.
सही.
बट यू हैव टू फाइंड अ बैलेंस. ठीक है. एंड मेरे साथ भी होता है कई दफ़ा लाइक अच्छा इफ आई हैव सेड यस टू दिस हाउ विल my followers be respond to it because आपको सही बात ये बात आपको याद नहीं चाहिए मैं जो यहाँ तक पहुँचा हूँ ये भी बहुत मेहनत से पहुँचा हूँ.
जाहिर है dude.
ठीक है.
Of
ऐसी ओवरनाइट नहीं आता है. ठीक है.
खरीदे जाते हैं ओवरनाइट वो आपने नहीं किया.
डिफरेंट शेड नो शेड. ठीक है.
क्या बोल रहे हो काजी? क्या
तो या वो कुछ होते हैं जो खरीद लेते हैं एवरीथिंग बट नहीं बट लाइक आप जब मेहनत से जब आपको पता होता है कि हाउ हार्ड यू वर्क टू गेट टू दिस स्टेज you are always very cognizant of the fact कि यार is this good? Is this not good? Should I say yes to this? Kabhi kabhar the money is really really good. Like,
Dude, yeah.
They give you but it's an absolute shit campaign and you're like nahi.
Or they're taking too much liberty with you.
Yeah.
जैसे I had a friend or a person on the podcast, Irfan भाई, he said कल ही हुआ है शायद, कल रात को ही हुआ है. He's like यार देखो बात सुनो, आखिर में आपकी इंटेग्रिटी होगी और आपके लिमिट्स होंगे.
Yes.
But there's unfortunately a price to that, right? So they're like कि भाई 50,000 काजी बोलेगा नहीं. They're like 1 लाख काजी बोलेगा नहीं. They're like 3 लाख काजी बोलेगा नहीं. They're like 7 लाख.
Yeah.
काजी बोलेगा पूरा बैनर लगा दो, छोड़ दो.
तो ये
Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
It's
yes.
unfortunate.
No, so like this, like I'll tell you because like it recently happened. Like so, and it was like 2 brands. Like they came back to back. ठीक है. There's one brand एक आया था where they were like because they see on my page I post about fitness and ये सारा तो आप उनको पता होता है इसका एंगल क्या है. ठीक है. Just like आप पोस्ट करो आप एक वीडियो बनाओ एक like you're working on something and it's like male some hormone testosterone stamina boost and all that shit. ठीक है.
1 minute boys.
मैंने अच्छा उन्होंने and they were like we'll give you like 100,000 rupees for it. ठीक है. And you just have to and they're like you just have to 1 minute you just have to work out and say use this. ठीक है.
But I didn't use it.
ठीक है. मैंने कहा but I didn't use it. And मैंने कहा दूसरी बात मैं तो डॉक्टर हूँ मेरा लाइसेंस जाएगा. I'm endorsing this shit. ठीक है. मैंने कहा मेरा लाइसेंस जाएगा मुझे मेडिकल कम्युनिटी मेरा इतना मजाक उड़ाएगी what the hell are you doing बिलाल. You know so like वहीं जैसे इंटेग्रिटी वाली बात आती है वहाँ मैंने कहा नहीं ठीक है. फिर एक और आया था. ठीक है. कहा था एक हेयर रिमूविंग क्रीम समथिंग. ठीक है. And they're like we want you to post like a minute video of yourself
Removing your hair.
removing. I was like नहीं मैंने कहा मैं शर्टलेस तस्वीर लगा दूंगा अभी लगा दूंगा. मैंने कहा अभी लगा दूं. मैंने कहा वो तो मैंने लगाया भी है वर्कआउट किया. हाँ देख लो यार मेहनत की देख लो कोई टेंशन नहीं. मैं कहा तस्वीर लगा दूंगा. They're like नहीं we want a tutorial video you doing it taking it off. ठीक है. And they're like they're like we're going to pay you good money and everything. I was like okay how much? ठीक है. And they're like we'll pay you 300,000 just for a minute just to do it. भाई ने तो 2 सेकंड के लिए सोचा तो था. ठीक है.
जाहिर है
सोचा.
bro.
I was like whoa this is like the easiest 300,000 rupees
In the world.
in the world.
Hair
ठीक-
removing cream से दर्द भी नहीं होता मेरे ख्याल में.
ठीक है.
पता है मैंने नहीं किया.
मैंने तो कभी ट्राई नहीं किया. ठीक है.
होता है?
बट मैंने ट्राई नहीं किया. ठीक है. बट या
वैक्सिंग से दर्द होता है मुझे पता है.
हाँ नहीं तो या
Whatever dude. I know.
so yeah like ये था And like this was like a while back, and then I was like, 2 सेकंड में सोचा, मैंने कहा वो, मैंने कहा किस तरह करें, किस एंगल से करें, बहुत नेगोशिएट. मैंने कहा नहीं, मैंने कहा मैं शर्टलेस तस्वीर लगा दूंगा, मैं वर्क आउट लाइक लगा दूंगा, देखो ये वो, I can take the angle, but then I just couldn't rationalize with it. I just couldn't. I was like, and they're like, no, we want a tutorial. We want a tutorial. We want you to like, you know, like do the
कहाँ के chest के?
They want the chest, abs, all that, the shebang. ठीक है.
Yeah.
मैंने कहा पहली तो बात I will have to. Then I thought about it. I was like technicality. मैंने कहा I have to get someone to make this video. ठीक है. Because that person's guaranteed judging me for this. ठीक है. And then I was like, then I'm like standing and मैंने कहा how do I do this without laughing? ठीक है. And मैंने कहा ये सब लोग बस and all my followers and everything like वही वाली बात है ना, आपने इतनी मेहनत, they'll be like बिलाल को क्या हो गया है? You know ये वाली बात है.
आप उनको मैसेज रिस्पॉन्ड करते भाई देखो, सबसे पहले तो इनएक्यूरेसी ये है, मर्द के ज्यादातर बाल कमर पे होते हैं, तो अब आप
और वो बहुत मुश्किल होते हैं रिमूव करने. बैक प्रोग्रेस किस तरह देखोगे? ठीक है. तो या so like like I said 2 सेकंड के लिए तो like वही वाली बात हो कि मैं तो बैनर लगाने को तैयार था, मैंने कहा सब, but then like I had to like rationalize. I was like नहीं, मैंने कहा प्यार से बिलाल just say no. And I said no. I was like नहीं, मैं नहीं कर सकता, sorry, like I can't do this. ठीक है. And ये होता है, ये आपके साथ होता है, कई दफ़ा होते हैं, कई दफ़ा आते हैं, एक दो बिस्किट के भी आए थे like की टैगलाइंस बड़ी चीज़ी थी, और या कभी कोई ब्रांड आया है जिनका ब्रांड एम्बेसडर हैज सम प्रॉब्लमेटिक हिस्ट्री एंड शिट. ठीक है.
अच्छा you take all that into account?
You have to like आपको होता है, या कोई उनका कोई एम्बेसडर कोई प्रॉब्लमेटिक हिस्ट्री और समथिंग. आई मीन थोड़ा सा सोचता हूँ, थोड़ा सोचता हूँ, you like, you know, like
just stay away.
So yeah, then you're like नहीं यार ये नहीं कर सकता, but somehow like I've gotten like alhamdulillah some good ones and everything. Just like I was one of the brand ambassadors for Spotify Pakistan जब वो आए थे, that was a really good campaign. उनके साथ किया था, Zong के साथ किया था, like उसको वैसे बीच पे भागना था मुझे. Zong इस्तेमाल करें, business बहुत अच्छा है, हर जगह सिग्नल आती है. ठीक है. So like वही वाली बात, just you have to find a happy balance. You have to find a happy balance in everything. Like yes, पैसा बनाना है and everything, and it's good to have a side income, absolutely, but at the same time आपको अपनी integrity नहीं बेचनी. And that is the biggest challenge, where you're like, where do I find the balance?
Where do we find the balance? Bilal, this has been fun. This has been a lot of fun. Thank you for coming on such short notice.
Likewise, it's been absolutely.
And we'll do this again inshallah. टायर अभी चल के उठाते हैं या जब भी करते हैं. Anything you would like to plug in on for your Instagram या Facebook पे तो आप नहीं हो?
I mean वो अपना अकाउंट है, but
छोड़ दो उसको. YouTube?
नहीं सिर्फ Instagram.
Which is
Mr. Paki. Mr. Paki. MYSTA Paki. PAKI.
Everything else you've already said. Any final thoughts?
I had an absolute blast. This was absolute, like, it was an absolute pleasure. Like, लगा ही नहीं था शो पे आया था, ऐसे लग रहा था गप्पे मारने आए थे.
गप्पे मारने आए थे आप?
गप्पे मारने आए थे.
और कुछ नहीं.
It was nice. It was cathartic, therapeutic, everything.
It's just two people talking about यार फिर मैंने Dorito के खाए पैकेट.
यार Monster पी ली.
Monster पी ली यार, क्यों पी Monster? अल्लाह रहम करे. बिलाल, thank you.
Thank you.
बिलाल हसन, काजी अकबर. अस्सलाम वालेकुम.